How's everybody doing? We got W's in the chat. Who do we got here? Who do we got? Hey, we got Vant Trading in the building. Scott, good morning, bro. Got a trades in the house. All the mods are here today. What? Z Gamers in the house today. Who else we got? Walls in the building. Oh, Prickly's here. Crypto Madden's in the house today. David Tots in the building. Good morning, David. Good morning, George. All right, George is in the house. Who else we got here? Who else we got? Who else we got? Lolly. Oh, Lolly's in the building. K. Hey, yo. Tristan's in the building. What up, MB? Nightbot's here. Good morning, Nightbot. Leo. Good morning, Leo. What up, DL? What up, Rapid? Oh. What up, Rafi? Luke is in the building. Ewan's here. What up, Ewan? Who else? Who else? Oh. Good morning, Jeanette. Good morning, Forex Frank. Good morning, C4. Yeah, Ghost of Me's in the house. What up, Ghost of Me? Who else we got? Xander. What up, Xander? Henry, good morning. Caleb, good morning. Ghost of Me. I think we said Ghost of Me. Who else we got? Who else? Tom, good morning, Tom. Hero of the day is here. And that is good news. What up, Shiro? Hey, dab for Shiro today. We got dabs in the chat. What up, XAU Breakout? Good morning, Antonio. All right, let's get the party started. That guy TK's in the house. All right, I think we're good to go now. Greenery. Oh, mod God in the building. Look at the two initials on the end of that thing. Beautiful. Good morning, Classic Trader. Good morning, Rami. Good morning, Harriman. Good morning, Christian. All right. Alrighty. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. I know we have people plugging in from all over the world here today. So some of you guys are in the afternoon, some of you guys are in the evening. I'm in the morning, so good morning to you all. Who else? What up, Leo? Yeah, so it's a good Friday here today, right, ladies and gentlemen? It's Friday. It's the last day of the week, last day of the weekly candle. But at the end of the day, it's just another day, right? It's just another day, another opportunity for us to come into these markets and do what we do best and remain patient, remain disciplined, stick to what we know works, and have a great day, right? End this week strong here today. So let me just send this link out to the Discord, and we'll get going. Discord. If you guys aren't in our free Discord, !Discord in the chat. Go ahead, join our free Discord. We got an amazing community here. Actually, hold on one sec. Before I do that, let me cancel that. Boom. Let me do it over again. What up, Joe? Joe Stewart's in the house today. Good morning, Joe. How was the gym this morning? How was the gym, Joe? Let me just fix some settings here on Zoom. All right, cool. All right, that's good to go. Let me just share my screen here, and we'll get the party started. Happy Friday, though. Y'all feeling good? Hey, can we get some W's in the chat? Can we just start spamming the chat with W's? If you're happy to be here today, if you're excited to be here today, let's get some W's. Let's get the blood flowing, get it pumping a little bit, right? If you guys are laying down, stand up. It's time to get up. It's time to get going, man. It's time to get going. Y'all should be fired up here today. Yeah, there you go. There's the W's. W's coming in. What do we say? W's coming in. W's going out. Blessed coming in. Blessed in the city. Blessed in the fields. Blessed coming in. Blessed coming out. So you know what it is. W's coming in. W's going out here today. Yes, sir. Okay. I think we are good to go. Everyone in Zoom is jumping in. Good morning, everybody. Let's get this party started. If you guys aren't muted, if you could just please mute yourself. That way we can get the breakdown going here, and make this a great day. So did I share my screen? No, let me share my screen. Oh. All right, cool. Sweet. All right, gang. Well, another day is upon us here. And we're going to take a look at what we got going on in the news, see what's up with Forex Factor here today, and see what we got going on in the charts. 10K today? Ooh, you never know. You just never know these days, gang. You just never know. I think we had about 3,700 people subscribed this month to the Time to Eat channel, the Time to Eat community. Thank you guys for subscribing. It's you know, it's no surprise though, right? It's no surprise. What we're doing here is we're keeping it real in the Forex industry, right? We're not trying to show you the glitz, show you the glamour. We're trying to provide real value that you could apply into your life on a day-to-day basis. It's more than just trading. It's a community, it's a family of people coming together for a common dream and a common goal. And when that starts to happen, you start to see unity. And when unity starts to happen, everybody starts speaking the same language. Everybody starts you know, looking at the markets the same way. And you know, it's just a beautiful thing here to see the Discord going crazy, and everyone is kind of on the same page now, right? A lot of you guys are really learning how to be disciplined. You're really learning that, you know, this thing is important, right? This is a business. This is not something to be taken lightly. It's not just press a couple buttons and make some money. If it was that easy, gang, everyone would do it, right? If it was that easy, everyone would do it. Some of you guys are saying, hey man, I'm gonna come on this stream and I'm gonna be good to go. I'm gonna have a 90% win rate. And then you come to find out that it don't really work like that, right? I mean, that's what I thought, right? When I jumped on Don's stream, I thought, hey, I'm gonna get myself a funded account and I'm gonna just take the trades he takes, and man, life's gonna be great. But we come to find out that we have these mental barriers that we need to break through as traders, as individuals, and nobody can do that work for us, right? We're the only ones that could do that work, and that takes time. That takes pressure, right? That takes a little bit of a process. But you know, those that are willing to move forward and not quit and continue to believe that, you know, that they can do it, those are the ones that are going to succeed long term in this game. And really quickly, you're going to learn that you know, you should take this serious, right? It's not something to be played with. You know, there's a lot of money to be made here. There's life change. You can change your life financially here, right? You can change your life financially here, and you know, that is the goal. So let's get started here in this breakdown, and let's see what we got going on. We have just light news throughout the day, and a red folder here with the prelims at 10 a.m. That's about it. That's about it. Other than that, we're pretty clean all day here today. So let's take a look at what we got going on. This is the stream. Let me close this down, pop up trading view, and see what we got going on. So this is what I had marked up last night. So yeah, we're gonna get rid of all this and redraw everything, but it looks like, you know, price did close below this level here. I wouldn't have taken this. I needed to wait for a range 2 here, but we'll see if we can get closures below 1954 here today. But let's get rid of everything and see what we got going on. I think we're pretty bullish on the day, right? Pretty bullish here. Yeah, weekly. So yeah, let's talk about this, right? So let's start on the monthly time frame. How's the music? Is the music good? Should I lower this at all? What do you think? What do you think? Quickly. Still haven't mounted the new mic. No, my arm comes today. Yeah, my arm's coming in today. I paid for it to come in the other day, but I guess they didn't care too much. Yeah, so it comes in today. I got the mic, but the arm's coming here today, and yeah, so we should have all that set up. But I think we need 300 likes here, gang, to start this breakdown, and we don't have that yet. So very shocking. I thought we were gonna be at like 500 likes when I looked just now. Music's loud. Okay, I'll lower it. Yeah, we need to get to 300 likes before we even start anything. Music. All right, hopefully that's a little bit better. Yeah, 300 likes. We yeah, if you haven't liked the stream, go ahead, give the stream a like right now. We cannot do a breakdown here without 300 likes. 288, 289. Come on, chat, you could do it. What do we have? 220 when I glanced over there. Those are rookie numbers. But with all the W's here, with everyone fired up, and there's not 300 likes. Holy, holy, chat's quaking. Blackmailing like Raja. Yeah. All right, cool. Let's get this started. You know what it is, man. I'm an athlete growing up, and a little bit superstitious to this day, and you know, we need 300 likes, right? Every time we have more than 300 likes, things go really well for us. All right, anyway, so let's take a look. Let me just see. Good morning. Yep, good morning, everybody. Let's see what we got going on. So let's bring up the charts here and see what is happening. What's going on this lovely day here on gold. So let's do a quick breakdown here and see what we got. So monthly time frame, just to recap, right? We've come up into this rejection zone here, right? We draw this out, you know, a couple times a week, but we see here that we have come into this rejection zone from 2080 to about, you know, 1920, 1930, right? And one thing that we do as traders is we have an edge, right? And that edge is based off of data and information that we have in the past. And one thing that we could see here in the past is that every time gold has come up into this range, we have rejected this from this level, right? We have one rejection here. We attempted again here, rejected it again, and then we've come up a third time and I've also rejected again now. And every time we did reject, we created some sort of resistance and price was able to move down. All right, same thing here. We created this resistance and price was able to move on down. So now what's happened is we have created this resistance here. So on the monthly time frame, price should be able to move down according to price action here today, right? According to technical analysis, price action. One thing we notice here as well is that the candle did close below. So the monthly candle on last month's candle closed below this level here, which indicates that we're breaking back into a new range, right? And if we're breaking back into a new range, then there's a very high chance, about an 85% chance, that we will fill this range by the end of the month. Now, we're at the halfway part, right? We're at the halfway mark here. It's the 14th of July, and price is still creating a, I don't know, maybe a top wick here, right? Still bullish, still creating that top wick. One thing that we can say is as long as this high respects this high, then we are still good to come down at any given point, right? This candle can come all the way up here and it could be the 25th, 26th of the month, and then somehow just make its way back down, right? And break the lows and continue down. It could happen. Will it happen? We don't know, right? We don't know. We may also see this candle close bullish below this range here, giving us like a monthly celery play to break the lows and, you know, fill the rest of the range here. So those are just ideas, right? As traders, we just come up with ideas, try and put the story together. Each time frame is like a chapter, and you know, each chapter is going to give you these small little details, right? These clues on what the story is trying to say. So let's take a look at the weekly time frame, right? Because if we know that we closed below this level here at 1930 on the monthly time frame, breaking back into this new range, we understand that this candle right now is creating a top wick, and if a monthly candle is going to be creating a top wick, then guess what? That could take a week or two or three, right? We're talking about a monthly candle here. You know, just like a 30-minute candle, that could take 4 or 5 5-minute candles, right, to push up and create that top wick for that 1 hour / 30-minute candle. No different with a monthly candle, right? It's just more time, you know, bigger candles, and you know, takes more time. So let's take a look at the weekly. So weekly looking pretty bullish, right? We know that we came down and we created this support right here. One thing we can tell is that we're still within this range here, right? We're still within this range. Prices just kind of came down, closed below, created support, came back up, retested, you know, this area in which it left, closed below the support, came down, created a new support, and now, you know, we're coming up into this resistance area here. So we're going to see what gold wants to do, right? Will we reject or will we close above? Because this is a major level here. You know, if we close above this area, you know, there's a high chance that next week we may see a continuation of that push up. Let me just get this. You know, we may see this candle close bullish, and if we do that, then you may see a push up here on gold, right? And then that would kind of make the monthly almost like a fake out, right? It would be like a monthly fake out where that candle would continue pushing up and close back above this range here for price to continue up. So, you know, very interesting time here on gold. So we know where we're at on the weekly time frame. You know, we don't know if this is a push down to do some sort of retracement like we've seen up here. All we know is that we are bullish based off this weekly time frame. Let's keep in mind that we are tapping into this resistance level here at 1960. And let's go down to the daily, because if we're going to find positions here today, it's going to be based off of what the daily is really saying here. So one thing we know is that we did have a, you know, if we come back down here, we had this level, these two levels right here, right? This was our range that the daily time frame was kind of chopping around in a little bit. And you know, price was in here for quite some time. It couldn't make a decision, didn't know if it wanted to go up, if it wanted to go down. We see here that, you know, you have a ton of rejections to the top side, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rejections to this resistance level here. And then this candle right here, it finally closed above, right? So if that candle's finally closing above, what it's doing is it's doing what 9 other candles attempted to do but failed to do it. So if that's happening, then you're most likely going to see a breakout and a push to the top side, and that's what we've seen here on Wednesday, right? We've seen this push up here on Wednesday, and beautiful bullish candle, created no bottom wick, but all in all went up, did its job, came up, retested the highs, and now, you know, we closed right at that resistance. We closed right at that resistance. Kind of looks like where we're at on the weekly time frame, and now we don't know what's happening here, right? Price really slightly may have broke the highs, right? But this could be a fake out. This could be a fake out, and guess what? That would make total sense on the monthly time frame for this to be the top wick, and it would also make sense that the weekly candle would kind of close below that resistance there and reject it, right? So if we're looking at gold here and we're looking for positions today, let's take a look at the 4-hour and the 1 hour 30-minute time frame, because remember, we're bullish on the day, right? Price action says we're bullish, but we also have reasons to open ourselves up to going short today in the market, knowing that monthly is possibly created its top wick, weekly, or let's do it, monthly has possibly created its top wick, weekly is tapping into this rejection zone, daily is also kind of closed below resistance here, and possible fake out back into the range now, right? And that would make sense on all higher time frames. Now let's take a look at the 4-hour, right? Because let's try and find how we're going to take positions today. So we know we have a support here, we know we have a resistance here, and this is the range that we're currently in on the 4-hour time frame. Now let's take a look at the 1 hour 30-minute, because we need to find the ranges in which we're going to look to trade today. So for me, major support right here. Let's take a look at the 30-minute. Yeah, so I'll look to take sells below this support here today, which is 1954 500. Same exact support as yesterday, right? Price has not budged since yesterday. It's really just been consolidating a bit. Last night I had range 2 sells below here, I believe it was. I think it was on the 1 hour. Yeah, I had range 2 sells below here. Price ended up coming down, tapping in here. So I wouldn't have taken these sells. I would have been waiting for range 2 sells here, going against the bias. But again, just like I said in the range 1, range 2 video, at times price is going to drive, right? If you're waiting for a range 2, price is just going to drive on you, and that's okay. All right, as a professional trader, you have to accept that that isn't your move, right? If you commit to waiting for range 2 breakouts before taking trades going against the daily bias, then you got to commit to it, right? You can't commit to it once in a while here and there. You got to commit to it full time, and you know, if this happens, you got to be totally cool with it and understand that those aren't your pips, right? That's not your move to take. You know what you were waiting for, that didn't happen, and it's fine, right? It's never feel like you missed the move in the market. You know, like if your play and your setup and your entry all came together and you didn't take it, then yes, I would say you missed the move. But if something didn't line up specifically to your plan and what you're looking for, don't get frustrated that you maybe missed a move or didn't take a trade, right? It's totally fine. We're never pro traders are never chasing just volume. They're chasing their playbook. They're running after their own setups that they have sample sized data on, backed up for months and months and months and years, and they're only acting on their edge. And I truly believe that that's what's going to separate the winners from the losers, man. The winners from the average is that the winners know exactly what they're looking for, and they don't deviate. They do not take anything outside of that. You know, a lot of real long-term professional traders, most of them only take one setup. They only have one setup, and they'll let everything else go. They don't care. They can predict the move. They can anticipate where volume will take it. But if their setup and their entry doesn't come to fruition and reveal itself, then they don't take the trade. And I'm the same way, because I want to be a professional long-term trader. So if I want to be a professional long-term trader, extremely profitable, then I want to do what the long-term profitable traders do. Does that make sense? I want to copy them. Yes, I want to be a copycat. I want to copy successful people and do what they do. And you should try doing it too. I think it'll really help you out. So let's take a look. So we're not taking range 2 sells anymore. This has already happened. Clean sells below 1954.500 look pretty good here on gold today. Let's just see what that looks like on the daily time frame also. Yeah, and that'd be breaking the daily lows here. So perfect. Now in terms of buys, so we are bullish on the day. We can anticipate, we did break the highs already here. We are coming down to make a bottom wick. If we do break these lows and close below here on a 1 hour or 30-minute time frame with volume coming in, then I think we probably will start to head down here today, break these lows, and maybe retrace some of that move from Wednesday. So we'll see what happens, right? And then our buys are above here. We can maybe look to take buys above this 1959 level here. We are going to have to take a look at that, you know, when the time comes. Maybe if that's during the NY Open or NYSE Open here today where there's volume coming in, maybe, just maybe, we'll look to take buys coming up. What's this range looking like? About 40 pips. And then, you know, we'll take buys. I feel like, yeah, buys are a bit choppy, man. There's a lot of resistance here. So we'll see what happens, right? We'll look to target these areas up at 1967. But that's pretty much the day here. That's going to be the day here on gold. I will look to take potential buys above 1959, 360. Buys above there, going with the higher time frame, and then there's more clean buys above 1962, and we could run that up to like 1967 or so. So yeah, that's the day here today, gang. Very simple, very easy, right? Not a lot of craziness to get through here today. Not much news happening either. We've had to really navigate through a lot of fundamental stuff over the past week or two. But now we're past most of that, and we should be good to go. So let me just clone these, bring this over, bring this, and yeah, boom. That's the day. That's the day. And then for our target here on sells, let's take a look to the left hand side, see what we got going on. Yeah, I think right around here we can look to potentially target here on, yeah, this spot looks pretty sweet. Prices wick down in there. Yeah, 1946 here. So yeah, that's gonna be the day. Let's see what we can do here today. Let's see what we can make out of it. What up, Sam Capital? Sam Capital's in the house today. All right, cool, gang. So that is that's the day here on gold as of right now. As of, what time is it? 7:20 a.m. in the morning Eastern time. These buys right here, they're not the cleanest. I'll be honest. I mean, it's a bit wicky, it's a bit choppy below here, especially on the 30-minute time frame as well. I'd rather get a clean close above here before we take any buys here today. Yeah, 4 hours very bearish as well. So yeah, let's just hang tight, and that's the easy part. Now the hard part is really waiting. right? I think I said this yesterday, but the easy part is done. Now the hard part comes for most traders, and most traders just cannot just wait, right? You guys can't wait, man. You got to learn to wait on this. You got to learn to wait on your perfect setup here, you know, each and every single day. That's how you get long-term profitability. That's how you fill your P&L up with blues and keep those unnecessary losses out of your P&L, right? I think we talk about this often, but those losses, those unnecessary losses that you take, they're killing you. They're killing you. They're killing your P&L. They're killing your confidence in the game, because you just can't sit tight and wait, right? You know what you're waiting on, but for some reason when you see a big candle like this, it gets you all excited. And trust me, I've been there, you know, but I promise you, nothing changes until you change, right? So you got to get it together. All right, you got to get it together. You got to make those adjustments, make those tweaks where they're necessary. Okay, cool. Oh, nice. Yeah, look at that. A lot of people on point there. You guys got the same markups as me. That's beautiful. All right, cool. So let's take a look at pound yen here as well, see what's going on there, and then we will chill out and have some fellowship here today. So GJ, wow, finally we've seen a push down here. GJ's been on this bullish rally here for months on months here, right? Just absolutely rallied from like 1958, 1960, and just pushed all the way. I mean, there was super clean traffic to the left hand side here for a price to mimic, and man, it really mimicked it, right? It just continued pushing up, really didn't show any signs of stopping, right, the entire time. So GJ's been on the move here, and we have created this monthly bottom wick potentially. Let's take a look at the weekly, because we finally had some bearish signs off the weekly time frame, but it looks like we're rejecting pretty heavy here, and I know there's a daily support somewhere around here, so let's take a look at that. Yeah, you see that we got a fake out on the daily time frame, right? Price closed below that level, created that daily bottom wick, and started pumping up. And that's kind of like what we're looking at here on gold, right? Possible fake out here as we come into this range, being that the monthly has already made its top wick. You may see gold start to push down from here. So this monthly candle could potentially be a fake out, because we had this closure above. Remember, we got this closure above here, and you may start to see price start to close below that range to push down for the monthly time frame to get going here. So we may be seeing that on pound yen as well. So let's take a look and see what's going on this daily time frame. So daily time frame, we closed bullish, right? We had a fake out back into the range. Excuse me. We created a really nice bottom wick here, and now it looks like we're starting to push up. So let's take a look at the 4 hour. The 4 hour time frame has a very strong resistance right here that it looks like we did not close above. So we did not close above this resistance to the left hand side. Therefore, you may see a rejection here, right? Very small bottom wick on this 4 hour candle. Rejected this resistance to the left hand side. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour, yeah, nice rejection there. I think we can look for buys now above 181.900. Yeah, I think that's going to be our cleanest range. I think we may pull back a little bit, just because look at the run that we've been on here, right? Where are we rejecting? If we look to the left hand side, we notice we're rejecting in a certain area for a reason, right? Because there's a massive resistance right there. That's where we're rejecting. If we look left, and above that is very clean traffic. So what I would do is, and this is what I'm going to do here today, is I'm going to wait for buys above 181.900. Clean buys above there. I'm going to be patient. I'm going to hang tight. I'm going to wait. If the only other way I would take buys here today is if we maybe push down a little bit and create some sort of pullback to go up, right? Maybe something like this, candle close with no bottom wick or something. We get a bullish candle to close, you know, back above, creating support. Then maybe we'll look to take our buys coming back up from this point down here, and then if we do get that closure, we should have very nice runners today to continue up, you know, filling this clean range to the left hand side. So that's something I'd look to take advantage of here today. Either buys above this level here, or we wait for a pullback, support being created, we'll catch an onion play to move back up. All right, so that's GJ. And then for buys, and then in terms of any sells here today, let's take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Yeah, I would just probably wait for let's see here. I'll just wait for sells below. Sells are choppy, man. Sells are choppy. Right now, we'll just look for, you know, sells below this support here. You got clean traffic to the left. So if we do close below there, let's take a look at the 1 hour, 4 hour, daily. Yeah, that would be the daily flipping bearish again. Yeah, we'll see what happens. Maybe we'll look to take sells or probably even range 2 sells below there, unless we get some range here and move down from there. So we will mark this up for now as range 2 sells below here, buys above this 181,900 level, and that's going to be the day there. That's it on GJ. Very, very simple. Very simple. Cool. Everybody got it? Awesome. Perfect. So yeah, this range right here, I'm going to be staying out of here today unless we get some sort of support. The only way I'm trading in this range here today is if we get some sort of support, maybe down here or down here, wherever it is, for price to come back up bullish on the daily time frame. But other than that, if we do get a close above, I will trade in this green zone here today. And if we do get some sort of nice range 2 sells or closures below here during volume, then I'll look to take advantage of that range there as well. So that is the day on GJ, my friends. Being here for a 3rd week in a row and starting to get it. Awesome. Awesome, man. That's the goal. That's the goal. Come in here, you come in here every day, you pay attention. That's what I did. You know, that's what I did. And I tuned into a stream every single morning and did what I had to do, right? Took notes. I had to go through that trial and error phase, but I made sure I was making those adjustments, you know, as they needed to be made, and just moving on with it, right? So good luck, and yeah, pay attention and you'll get it. It'll all start to click for you. Is there a place to see the stream trade history? Yeah, yeah, we got our record here. Where is it? Yeah, this is our record here. So we have everything tracked. So every trade we take is it's all tracked. But give me one sec. What were we doing here? Yeah, so that's the range here. That's what I'll be looking for here today on pound yen, and we'll see if we can get it. And same thing with gold. So we'll see what happens here with gold, and see what we could do. But yeah, so that's yeah, we track all of our trades here. We track them all together, and we want to make sure we're keeping everything documented, right? That's how you're able to read data. That's how you're able to test data, see what we need to work on, what needs to get better. And yeah. Do you play video games? No. The only game I play is the game of life. That's the game I love and I enjoy, and that's the only game I play. Me no play no games. Loving the new screen. Numbers look clear. Oh, okay. Thank you, Michelle. Hey, if you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're doing $100,000 worth of challenge giveaways here pretty soon. We need you to be the winner. How do you access the spreadsheet? Oh, you can come into our Discord. We got a free Discord here that you guys are more than welcome to join. Hold on, let me pull it up here. Yo, you guys are funny, man. Like, what? Yo, New York session. It's live. But yeah, if you come into our free Discord, you come up here, go to the announcement section. Scroll up from the bottom just a little bit, and you'll see the the spreadsheet. Oh, where'd it go? Right here. Yeah, just open that up. My trades are gonna pop up, but you could easily get rid of that by going over to File, make a copy, click that, and then you can delete everything and track your own trades or do whatever you'd like to do. Follow my trades, track your trades. Completely up to you. Good morning, Shad. What's up, brother? Hey. How can we win the giveaway? Oh, you just got to be subscribed to the channel. So subscribe to the channel. We got 1,000 people here, but we only have 426 likes. So if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like as well, because when we like the stream, what happens is that gets the YouTube algorithm working well for us. So there's a lot of lonely traders out there. So with just one like, you can help a lonely trader out there in the deserted YouTube world looking for a live stream to be a part of.
Hey, yo. Good morning.
What's up, Johnny boy? How you doing?
Good morning, y'all. How we doing? What's up, chat? Happy Friday.
Happy Friday. Let's get Johnny over here. One moment, sir.
Hey, another day, right? Another day of doing what we do as professionals, right? Following our plan and being patient and disciplined, most importantly, to that plan, right?
That's right.
Not deviating from it.
Help a lonely trader today.
Chat, what's going on?
Desk setup, Nick. Oh yeah, it's coming. It's coming. Let me just get everything done, you know. I got most of it together, but I got a few other things I'm waiting for, and then I'm gonna shoot a desk setup picture in the Discord. Hey, if you guys got a cool battle station or whatever battle station you got, let's check it out in the Discord. So we have a room here for where is it? Desk setups. So let's see what you're working with here. Hey, I like this one. Very nice. Got a lot of cool desk setups here. Oh, I already like that one. This one's, I really like this one right here. Very simple, but clean. Clean, clean, clean.
Hey, super clean.
Got the bed right there. Hop up out of bed. Get my trade on. Very clean. Very, very clean. Yeah, if you guys got some, step back right now. Take a pic. Hey, yo. Take a pic of your setup and let's see what you got. Let's see your battle station. Where you working from? Oh, nice. Cool. Working on the beach. This was like the classic, well, you don't have your phone and your MT4 or MT5 in your hand, but this would be the classic Forex picture back in like 2019. Hey man, make money from wherever you want. No, you don't have to be at a desk. You don't even have to know what you're doing, man. Just enter these numbers into your phone and you're good to go. You'll be an instant millionaire, promise you. Was there a trade yesterday? No. Gold was all over the place, man. Gold was not looking the greatest yesterday. It's still, you know, in this range here, right? So we did attempt to take sells, I believe, right? At some point, but we deleted the sell stops.
Yeah, man. Gold gave us nothing yesterday. No clean setups.
Nothing.
Nothing.
There's a lonely trader out there. Let's like the stream, and your reach, your success is my success. Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, look at that. Gold closing no top wick right there. Very interesting. Let's take a look at pound yen. GJ, we need a support here for him. See, some of you guys are jumping the gun here. You guys are talking about celery, but there's no celery play. All right, there's nothing yet. Remember, what did I say? We need to come down and create a support. right? We need to create a support before we take buys. No support has been formed just yet. Patience, young grasshopper. Yeah, and gold closed with no top wick, so we may get a fake out back into the range here. We'll see what happens. Gold's been choppy. Yeah, we may see gold close back below this range here. What does formed support consist of? That consists of a bullish candle closure. So if we can get a bullish candle to close below, right? This candle may not close bullish. So we don't know yet. We have to wait for this candle to close, which is in 22 minutes. So we don't have that answer. We need to wait on that answer, right? So we're asking the market right now, hey, will you close below? And the market says, I'll let you know. Or will you close as support? The market says, I'll let you know definitely in 22 minutes. But some people are impatient and they can't wait for the answer. So they impulsively enter right on the break of the high here, like some of you guys have done. And now you are in drawdown for no reason at all, because there was not a setup just yet. So traders that jump the gun, impatient traders, are traders that do not make money. So what happens is they all get stopped out, and then the patient traders, they wait for the support, they take entries, and they have a great day, right? And the impatient traders, they just can't seem to understand what's going on, right? Because look at the candle now. So me as a patient trader, I'm just gonna let all this go, and I'm just gonna wait. I'm just gonna sit tight, sit on my hands, have a good time here, and wait until we officially get a closure. And if we get a closure like that, that's when I'll take my buys coming up on this candle here, right? This is gonna be my confirmation candle right here. This is gonna be my trading candle. I'm gonna hold this position to come up and retest the highs here. And then if we do close above this level, we'll have runners to continue on going. And then some people are just taking unnecessary trades here. So when this trade finally comes, you have no more risk on the day, right? You've wasted it. You've wasted it on unnecessary trades that didn't fit the bill. And now when the really high probability setup comes, you can't take it, or you hesitate to take it because you've already been stung by the bee here. So that's the importance of waiting, because a lot of times what'll happen, and especially, you know, maybe this only happened to me, I don't know, but I would get into stupid trades, unnecessary trades, right? And then once the A+ setup came, I had no more risk on the table to trade that day, or I hesitated, right? Because now I'm pushing it, especially if you're on a funded account or something, right? And you've already lost X amount of dollars on the day. Now when that A+ setup comes, you can't participate, and you start punching the air because you see the chat just W's just flying everywhere. But because you were impatient all morning and you tried to just rush things because for some reason you just had to make money today or something, you know, you're upset. So don't be that guy. You're not that guy.
Yep.
Show us the
And
400K.
Stop focusing on the money. Stop making money your top goal. Stop making money your god, right? Don't focus on the money. Focus on taking the best trade here, which is AKR playbook setups, right? Say this every day, but focus on doing that, and over a series of times, you will have an edge. You have an edge.
Yep. Yeah, the 400K account I have is on a copy trader, so I don't have that one up on a terminal. Yeah, but if you want to know how that account's going, I posted a picture in, I think it was it prop? No, I think it was daily profits, right? Yeah, I posted a pic of it here. Well, I only took 3 trades on it so far. Yeah, right here. Yeah, 400K. Yeah, I've only taken 3 trades. So I'm up about 2%. Yeah, 2%. So not bad. Two, and they're all very small trades too, right? They're not even, you know, they're not even that big trades. Like we the last couple of trades have not been the biggest, right? I think let me take a look here. Where'd it go? Where did our, oh, here it is. Yeah, last couple trades, yeah, so 6 pips was that last. Remember, that one was that one was well managed too, because it was 6 pips or get yourself stopped out. So you got to know how to pivot, got to know how to be fluent, got to know how to read what the markets are saying. We went over that trade already, but yeah, so these weren't even that big of trades, and yeah, so we're sitting pretty nice on the 400K account. I hear that the funded trader now has unlimited time for their accounts. I'm not sure which accounts, but for their challenge accounts, so that's pretty cool. I don't know if it's if that makes any sense for me, because I've already had that account, so I'm not sure if it's just for new accounts or existing accounts as well. I don't know, maybe some of you guys know. Get off the charts to go donate. I'm really impressed with the knowledge. Oh, cool. Awesome. Can you look at NAS 100? Yeah, we're going to take a look there. Yep. Yep. All prop firms are doing unlimited time. Yeah, I guess they're competing for us, right? They're competing for our investment, and it's getting pretty widespread at this point, right? So the rules are gonna have to bend a bit, right? They want to, if one person, especially like I think FTMO like kind of did that, and then all the other companies heard it, right? So they all had to do it. But as these companies fight for our business, they will make it a lot easier and better for the trader, I believe. I don't know how sustainable that's going to be in their business model, but you know, it seems like it's not hurting them if everyone's doing it, right? I think people, regardless, traders are still going to rush the process, right? Even with no time limit, because it's one thing to have a time limit on the challenge account, but it's also, people just want to rush the process in general, right? They can't wait to get funded. They got to get funded today, right? They have unlimited time to pass their challenge, but it's got to get done this week, you know? And it's just like, I think that'll just continue to happen. You know, I don't think it's going to really hurt their business model too much. So because, you know, inexperienced traders, degenerate traders are degenerate traders, right? They think that they're gaining headway, but they're just setting themselves back, right? Every time you break your plan, every time you take a stupid move, you're setting yourself back a little bit. Bro, 2% on a 400K is more than a lot of people make in a month. Yeah, that's true. Yeah, it is. It's true. Tandy, good morning, Tandy. What's up, bro? Hope you're enjoying your trip, man. Hope you're enjoying your time. You've been out there for a while now, bro. What's up? What are you out there for? 2 weeks? 2 weeks? How long you staying? And can we please link up, bro, when you get back? Come on, man. Let's get some Eddie and Sam's or something. Unlimited time, still rushing. Yeah, can you believe that? It's like jumbo shrimp. Biggie Smalls. Unlimited time, still rushing the process. Makes no sense. How do I get the trading journal on Discord? Just go into the announcement section. Yeah, scroll up a little bit, click the link, and you'll be good. Thoughts on US30? We're gonna take a look at that now. Wandy, hey, Wandy's in the building. Greetings from Amsterdam. Hey, what up, Nino? Hey, how big is... How big? Oh, what's the difference between me and John in age? We're actually pretty big difference. What are we, like 9 years, John?
I think it's like 15.
Oh, 15 years. Yeah, 15 years. Yeah. I was 15 when this little man was born. I'm down 1.4% just because I didn't follow my plan and took another trade. Yeah, that'll do it. Yep. Oh, nice. I got 50K funded today. That's awesome. Beautiful. Congratulations.
Hey, congrats.
Your parents were close to the reset. That's funny. How long do we take to be profitable learning from you? That's on you.
All right.
Yeah, that's on you, man. That's your own journey, your own story. I don't know what battles and difficulties you deal with on the charts, but I know that once you get over them, that's when you'll become profitable. I know that. What
How
that
quick you
time
want to
is,
get over it?
yeah, that time is up to you though. Don't let it take any more than it needs to. That's what I would recommend.
Amen.
Greetings from Morocco. Hey, Morocco. Just found your stream and I'm really liking it. Oh, nice. Great atmosphere. Yeah, hey, if you guys are enjoying the stream, sub to the channel and give the stream a like. We should be able to get to 1,000 likes here pretty soon. But let's take a look at the NASDAQ real quick and see what we got going on here. So looking at the weekly time frame, looking pretty good, right? Weekly candle has, you know, really pushed up here. We closed above, you know, you had a candle close back below, but this candle pushed up. It looks like we have a resistance here to the left hand side, so we'll see what happens with this weekly candle here. But the daily did close bullish. We have not created a bottom wick just yet. I am expecting a steeper bottom wick on this daily candle here today. Look, going on to the 4 hour and the 1 hour to see how we can find positions. Well, if we see the 4 hour, we notice that we have a support here and a very strong resistance at this point formed right there, right? You guys see that? So that's what we're looking like on the 4 hour time frame. Let's take a look at what that looks like on the 1 hour. Now we find our range. Now let's trap price. Let's trap it. Let's make sure we got it surrounded, and that's what we'll wait for here. So we're bullish on the day. We want to see if we can take buys. Let's take a look to the left hand side. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. What do we got going? Oh, what do we got going down? To the left, to the left. Oh, wow. All right. Hold on. Oh, wow. Nothing to the left. Gotta scroll back to the Stone Ages here. Can we find anything? Can we find anything? Oh, I don't know. So I can't see to the left hand side. Let's take a look at the weekly just to see what that looks like. It looks pretty clean, right? It looks pretty clean probably up until these rejections up here. I'm sure that's where the nearest resistance is. Let's mark that off, see what that looks like. Based off the 1 hour, that's probably the clean range that we're going to look to trade in today, and then we can look to take range 2 sells below this level here. So range 2 sells below and then clean buys above, and that's what I'll be looking at here for the NASDAQ. Not bad. Pretty simple. Price is ranging right now. Just wait for price to leave that range and we'll be good to go. Oh, yeah, we would have never got activated on the Dow here or NASDAQ yesterday on our sample size positions. Let's take a look at US30 here as well. So let's take a look. The monthly time frame is very bullish, right? We've come down, we broke the high now, right? We created a bottom wick, breaking the highs here. We should be good to fill this wick, and maybe even close above this level here today. Or I'm sorry, that's the monthly. So yeah, I think the weekly is pretty clean. I think that's that wick that we looked at on the monthly. You also have that resistance there as well. So let's mark that off there. That's 34,837. Let's take a look at the daily time frame. Daily is very bullish. We've broken the highs here. We closed very weak doji. Kind of got a daily, in a way, like a daily celery play. So one thing we can say is, can we close above that resistance? To the left hand side here, right? If this daily can close above, then I think we can continue up. We have very, very clean traffic to the left hand side for the next couple days coming into next week. And yeah, I think we should really see how this candle closes here. But if we're going to take positions today, let's see what's going on. So you have a 4-hour clean traffic on the 4-hour here, right? See this clean traffic here? This is what you want to trade in. So let's mark this off as our target here today. That's a pretty nice range I would love to be a part of. And let's go back to current price. And yeah, I think if we can get a close above here, price should be good to continue up. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. 1 hour is, we close with no top wick. So let's see how this candle closes here in about 8 minutes, and then we'll kind of have a good idea of where we're at and where we want to go. 30-minute time frame. Yeah, no top wick on that previous candle, so that makes sense. We may start to pull back a little bit here as we come into the NY Open. So let's wait on this. I'm probably not looking for sells at all today here on US30. It's just going to be buys, right? But we may need to make some sort of retracement, create support to continue up. So that's what I'll be looking for on US30 today. Morning, Nick. Hey, good morning, Rita. Good morning. But yeah, looks like we're trying to form a resistance here now on gold.
Good morning, good morning.
Good morning, Uncle Scalp.
Morning, everybody. What's up, Johnny boy?
Good morning, Scout. What up?
Good morning, good morning.
Yeah. Yeah, see if you would have took those buys there on the break of that high, you would be, you know, wondering what's going on now, right?
Yo.
Hey, good morning, Sam.
Yo.
Morning,
Good
Sam.
Hey, good morning, Sam.
morning, gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen. How's everyone doing this morning?
Fantastic.
Amazing.
How are you?
Fantastic. Yo, I'm wonderful.
You're looking
I'm feeling
wonderful.
gorgeous. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Yo, so are you.
My guy Sam is dialed.
What?
Sam's
Oh,
dialed
dialed.
in.
I am. I'm locked in. Yo, I said in the Discord, I was like, last week we had a trade on Monday and Friday. This week, same thing, maybe?
Maybe.
We'll see. We'll see. We'll see.
Sam,
Yo,
can you
good
bring the
morning.
mic down? Oh yeah.
I got the good mic here. Or, oh yeah, you got it.
Well, we did this and it didn't really help.
Let me see if I can't just turn mine down then.
Hey, yo, Disturbed. Yeah, man, we'll be praying for you, bro. Praying for you and your girl. For sure, man.
How does this sound?
That's definitely lower. Maybe a little bit lower, though.
What about now?
Maybe a little bit lower. What about now?
Wait, can you hear it like while I'm turning it down? Is it changing while I'm...
What about now?
Uncle Scalp, yours is really loud too.
I'm really loud.
Yeah, I think you might be the loudest.
Really? How do I adjust that?
Yeah, I have like settings for my microphone. I don't know how you would do it. What do you have?
I mean, I have a volume inside of my headset, but I think that's to hear you guys.
Yeah, probably.
Let me see. Let me go in my audio settings.
I just right click in the, like on the audio thing in the bottom right, click sounds,
Yeah.
then go to recording, find the mic that I'm using, go to properties, and then levels, and then you can turn it up and down.
There's
Recording.
levels to it.
Wait, Sam, you said the recording section or the audio
Yeah.
section?
Recording, because that's like your mic. The audio would be like what you're hearing.
And this is in Zoom, you're saying?
No, this is right on the Windows desktop.
Oh, I know what that's not. Okay, let's see.
Right when you right click the volume in the bottom right.
Gotcha.
Do I sound okay?
Yeah, you don't sound bad.
Do I sound okay? Morning, guys.
Hey, good morning, Jose.
Jose, what
Good
up?
morning, Jose.
Morning.
What's up?
How's my mic? Pretty good?
Yeah, yours ain't bad, I don't think.
Yeah, sounds good.
Sweet.
Anything good, anything technology looks and sounds good on Jose's end.
Yeah.
You guys
Get
just
this
whisper?
bleeder going.
Yeah.
Later.
Thanks to that loudness, my neighbors are also in the trading game right now. Oh wow, look at that. We're even impacting the neighbors.
Go, W neighbors.
W.
Impact people, baby.
Yeah, that's right. Last week it was Monday and Friday too, right? Forgot about that. Hey, 10K subs today. I think we can get it. I think we can get it. We do pretty
think we
well
can
on
do it.
Fridays, huh?
I think so as well.
I think so. Yeah, gold looking good. I think we're setting up to come down. But it doesn't matter what I think, right? It's all about what the markets are telling us to do.
Markets are the boss.
Here, since people keep saying it, do you want to try and turn your mic up real quick, Nick?
Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, right click the volume thing in the bottom right, and then sound settings. And then input, the Corsair, yeah, the one it's just like down some.
This one, oh.
The other section that says input.
right here.
Yeah.
So
See, the volume
it's
is at 100.
It's up.
Click on the headset you have on right now. Like go up like 2. Yeah. Wait, go down.
This
Where
one?
it says headset. Yeah, click on it. Try clicking on the little arrow thing.
It's gonna electrify. It's gonna electrify. Ah! Oh, so my hat's gonna pop off. Boom.
Yeah, I don't know. It's at 100%.
Yeah, it's at 100.
Go back to the sound thing, like where you turn zoom up and that, because sometimes it has 2 applications open, and like if you turn the one down, it doesn't do anything.
Let's see.
The meeting chat, yeah, turn the meeting chat down. And then that should.
Ah.
Yeah, there we go.
Oh, so relaxing. Ah, how do you like that, chat?
How's that, chat?
Maybe a little bit higher, maybe 30. I think that should be good.
Because the other one you have turned down, but that's like, I don't know why, but it doesn't do anything.
Yeah, let's do like 35.
Yeah.
How's that, chat?
W's.
Dubs.
W's.
Oops.
There we go.
Nothing like having
Now
a
we're-
team. All right, so we got the NY open here. We're gonna let this 15-minute candle do whatever it wants to do, and then we're gonna see what the NY open brings us here today. So we may have positions here at 8:15. We'll see what happens. Let's just give it some time now. We did close below. 1 hour close below, bullish. We closed below this range though. 30-minute close bearish. So we may be able to get positions here based off the 15-minute time frame. I just want to see this 15 close bearish If we can close below the support, there's also a lot of support over here to the left. All right, if we can close below that support, we're gonna look to take positions here on the next 15-minute candle. Okay, how's that, chat? A little bit better? Quick fix W's. Yeah, there you go. Awesome. Someone plays a sound clip. Yeah, all of a sudden you got Donald Trump screaming in your ear, "We do a little trolling." Holy. Bring out the whole ocean. So yeah, let's sit tight. Let's wait on some direction here from this 30-minute candle, and then we will look to take positions here today. Don't rush anything, gang. Don't rush. No need to rush anything.
There's nothing to rush, right? We're waiting on the charts. Whenever the charts want to do their thing, to whatever the charts want to present us a high probability setup,
Yep.
that's when we'll be in position, right? We're not going to rush anything. We're waiting on that.
Exactly.
The charts are the boss.
Simple, simple, simple. Yeah, 15 close below here is going to be money. Let's see what happens.
No news till 10 a.m. either.
Nope.
Let's see.
Yeah, we got
Let's
no
see.
news here. We're pretty clean for the majority of the day. Pretty clean. This 4-hour candle starting to push back down here too, and look what also happened. This 4-hour candle did something that the candle yesterday was not able to do. You notice where the 4-hour candle closed, right? Below support. Remember yesterday we were looking at this 4-hour candle right here, this bearish one, and it never closed below that support. That's why you never seen the drive there. But now we've officially closed below this level. So if we're closing below, there's a high chance that we will potentially start to run down here. We may even close like 4-hour celery play type of vibes, right? So very interesting here. We did get that close below, so things are starting to look a lot more bearish as we continue on, right? Again, let's put it all together. Monthly time frame, possible top wick here to continue down. Weekly time frame, that would make sense because we are coming up to this rejection. Now it doesn't necessarily mean we'll reject, but we are coming up to it. So if the monthly now is that top wick, weekly may reject this level to go down. Daily may close bearish back below the range, basically giving us a fake out on the daily time frame. The 4-hour has closed below this level, so things are really starting to add up here and make some sense, right? On why the sells would be valid positions. So we got volume coming in as well. I think we need one more closure here. As long as we can close below there, we got clean traffic to the left. We should come down to 1955 at least, 1954, maybe even close below these ranges here to the left. So we'll see what happens. But so far so good. 30-minute close resistance. No top wick on the previous candle. Let's see. Johnny, what's up, my guy? Sandman's in the building. What up, Sandman?
What's good, Sandman? How you doing, bro?
What up? Good morning, all my brothers. Hey, good morning, Yogi.
Morning, brother.
Yogi.
Morning, Yogi. Miles in the house.
Miles in the house. Yeah, I love Miles. Miles is in the house. Did anyone take Don? Come on, man. Come on. What? What? Oh, what? Let's see here. Morning all. Hey, morning. Sam, you drinking coffee today?
Yes, sir.
Wait, where'd the Zoom go?
Nice, bro.
I got my sheets. Wrenching up.
Oh. My bad, I forgot to.
That's so
put your
funny,
guys
bro.
back over here. Sam got the coffee in the house today.
Got the coffee in the house. Got my ocean.
Got motion.
We got motion. I was just saying to my wife yesterday, we love when Sam says, we got motion.
Yeah, we always have motion.
Hey,
Sam's the
Chad.
creator.
It's
of
crazy.
kanji
It's just like
language.
we're so disciplined. So it's just like, you know, but we're like in motion. So it's like, you know, when you're traveling like 60 miles in a car, and you know it doesn't really feel like you're going anywhere. But it's just because like we keep that discipline. We keep that 60 miles an hour motion.
Facts.
That's
Hey,
so true.
some of you guys, did you
dig?
guys see
You
my
dig?
my post yesterday? We got look at this. We got
Oh, that's
motion.
sick. Yeah, I saw that.
We got motion on YouTube chat. Man, in the last month, 3,675 new subs, man. Shout out to you guys. I really do appreciate. I love coming here and hanging with you guys every morning. It's been an absolute honor and a privilege and just a pleasure, right, to come here and chop it up with you guys in the charts. I mean, almost 200,000 views over the last 30 days, 4 million minutes. I mean, that's minutes, but man, we're cooking, right? We got motion, chat. We got motion, and that's I truly believe that's the spirit of the Lord, because this was all planned in prayer, right? This was all planned out in prayer. It was all visualized very carefully for 2, maybe 3 years, and the Lord told me, hey, son, you're gonna bring me into the trading industry. And I said, what? He said, yeah, you're gonna bring me into the Forex industry, and I'm gonna work there. I'm gonna work in the hearts and in the lives of people, and I'm gonna help them improve their lives, improve their spiritual lives. And I said, yeah, Lord. He said, yeah. And that was 2.5 years ago. And we carefully prayed upon that, and that's why you see the growth just flowing in. Because what does the word say? What does the Bible say? It says the harvest is plentiful, but the workers are few. So we pray, right, to send the workers into the field. And what he's talking about is you and me. There's a plentiful harvest out there for you and for me. But we need workers, right? So we need more and more people getting free. We need more and more people getting after in life, making the changes that are necessary, making the changes that are necessary, taking leadership and creating that incredible environment for the people you're around, or your kids, or whatever it is that you're doing, right? We need to just, in a way, if we can all be better, we can make the world better, right? So the work is being done, and you're not here for a reason. You know, some of you guys are on your last limb today. You thinking, man, this might be my last week trading, right? This might very well be my last week. I don't know if I could do this anymore. I'm telling you, man, don't quit. Don't grow weary in well-doing, right? The word says, don't grow weary in well-doing, for in due season you will reap the reward. But you gotta be persistent, right? Trials are to test our quality. It's to see if we're willing to keep going, if we're willing to continue the faith, right? When things get tough. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. And I need you guys to be tough, right? And I'm talking about mentally tough, right? Everyone works out their body, works out their biceps, but what about the mind? Are you working out the mind? Because at the end of the day, that's the strongest muscle you have. God gave us a mind so we can go out and create anything we want in this world. So yeah, man, it's been a privilege to be here with you guys.
I was just telling Uncle Scalp that last night. I you know, just like you were saying, you know, I feel so grateful to be here, and you know, just surround myself with like-minded people. Like, this is the first time in my life that I know that I'm sitting here with people that are willing to die behind the things that they're doing and the things that they're saying. And you know, it's crazy, but you know, I'm super grateful for all that.
Yes, sir.
100%.
Yep.
The boys,
Yeah, man. What I shudder to think, man, what if I would have quit when the going got tough? What if I would have threw in the towel, right? What if I would have gave in? My wife would have a job today. My children would be going somewhere where we don't know what they're doing, and you know, it just doesn't seem fun. Doesn't seem fun for me.
Yeah, just like you were talking about discipline too. Like one of my favorite quotes from Proverbs is, "For the lack of discipline they'll die, led astray by their own great folly." I love that so much.
Yeah.
It's just like stay disciplined, gang. You know, that's how you become your own boss at the end of the day. You know, if you can't tell yourself what to do, someone else will
Yeah.
Facts.
for the rest of your life.
Yep.
Yep, it's all mind games, right? It's all mental war. You know, it's all mental war.
Yeah.
Almost.
Seriously.
That's that.
Mental warfare, spiritual warfare. That's why we got the war room. Hey, if you guys really want to work on stuff like that, you gotta tap in. Monday night we run a study through the scriptures. This week I have a really good friend of mine coming up. He's gonna absolutely bless, man. The Lord is working through this guy in such a major way. You guys do not want to miss it. If you've ever been wanting to come for a Monday night, this Monday coming up is your night. This is gonna be off the charts. I'm gonna be there with my notepad, recording this, taking notes, and making sure I'm learning and I'm growing too. I mean, this is a spectacular guest that's coming in this week. Do not miss it, man. If you're there, if you're normally there, definitely don't miss it this week. And if you haven't been there yet, come as you are. Come tap in. Come tap in. Come Monday night. Come as you are. Just come, fresh, and you're going to hear some incredible things. I believe the Lord has a message for each and every one of you. It's just, will you take the message, right?
Yeah, war room changed my life.
Yeah, buddy. The war
Take
room.
it from me.
I am in a trade. Awesome. Why would he work through a human being? Why wouldn't he just contact us directly? He did. You got to open the scripture. It's right here. Everything he wanted to say to you is right here in this book. Most of us just won't pick it up. GJPYs, let's take a look. Yeah, 30-minute close bullish, very nice. Let's see what happens here at this 15-minute close. Just give it 2 minutes. It's cooking up.
Patience.
Patience.
Yeah, man. But it really is a mental war. Like,
Oh.
failure is only real if you accept it as real in your own mind. And success is only real if you accept success, right? Imagine if Nick dropped the towel, he quit, right? He would have accepted that failure, and that would have been real in his own mind. Instead of, and if he would have done that, he would have missed out on all of this, right? So it's all of what you think, it's all of how you make it, it's all of what you really think is true in your mind. So don't think you're a failure, because if you're going to think you're a failure, then that's how it's going to be, sadly.
Yep.
Got to think you're a winner.
The magic of thinking big.
Oh.
Gotta think big, gang. Got to think big. All right, let's see what happens here on gold. So that's why we didn't take sells right away, right? Because this open of the 8 a.m. candle is always a bit herky-jerky here, right? So let's see, where do we close? We closed very close to that resistance level on the 15-minute time frame. Right here. So yeah, we don't have any. Yeah, I think we wait for a 30-minute closure here, because if we can close, we could start taking our buys from down here to continue up if price wants to push up. Comics is coming in, yep. Oh, nice. Passed my 10K funded account, phase 2. Good stuff. How do we access Monday night? Oh, it's in the Discord. Yeah, everything's in the Discord. is London picking up Q3? I don't know. Yeah, London should start to pick up. It's been a little phasey daisy here for a little bit, but London should pick up. Phase 1 was a breeze. Phase 2, I'm struggling at the moment. Well, hey, you got plenty of time. You got plenty of time, so don't rush it. Let it all come naturally, and you'll get there. Yeah, I have researched the Quran. I have a Quran here. I've studied the Quran. Yep. Yep. I've studied the Quran. No more time limit. Yep. No more time limit. Yeah, I've studied a lot of religion. Hey chat. So I'm in a bit of a pickle because there's there's 3 people. So we're looking to mod another person, right? But I just can't get these 3 people out of my head, and I don't know how to do it, right? I don't know how to pick one. So I know we were gonna do one mod at 10K, but what I was thinking is we might just do 3 mods at 13K. And those are going to be the mods for the year. Like, there will be no more mods at the end of at least until the end of the year. So we'll see. I still got to talk with the mods about this and see what they got to say and their thoughts on it. But yeah, there's been a lot of great people stepping up, you know, in the community, and I appreciate all of you guys. But there's 3 that really stick out, and we'll see what we're gonna do.
Ooh, see.
3 mods sound good. Chat's cooking.
Chat's voting.
Have you read the book, The Trading in the Zone? Yes, I have. Yep. Yeah, my favorite book on Forex is the Forex Mindset. The Forex Mindset by Jared F. Martinez. Shout out to Vant Trading who put me on with that one. That was my favorite book I read on Forex. Yeah, look at this. So just wait on it, right? Some of you guys, you were in sells. You took that loss. You got into buys. You took that loss. Now you're that guy that we were talking about earlier. Come on, you're not that guy, man. Yeah, that's why I try and stay away from that open candle. And you should see a push here. We got comics opening up here in just a second. So let's see what happens. Later. Yep, so you should see a push here now to the downside. Let's see how the 5-minute closed. Yeah, you should see a nice push here. Whether it goes up or down, not too sure, but yep, there it is. There's the push. Yeah, this candle's all over the place right now. So let's wait 10 minutes on this 30-minute close and we'll see where we're at. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Yep. Stay disciplined. Nobody should be doing anything off of this, as long as you're following the same playbook. I know it's jumping around. Just wait on it. Yeah, good morning, Rudy.
Patient discipline, chat. That's gonna help you most here today. We got the strategy. We know the strategy. Now we just need to exercise patience and discipline. Without that, the strategy means nothing. And remember why, chat? Remember why professionals have a plan. And and a playbook of setups, right? It's there to protect them. It's there to keep them safe, right?
Yep.
It's there for them to take the best trades they can take.
Some of you might be, you know, jumping out of your seats watching this thing fly around, but just that's why you have the plan, you know, because as long as there's no setup, then I don't have to do anything.
Exactly.
Plan guides me to success.
Sir. Yep. And we know that not one single result of a trade from our setup is gonna matter, but we know that over a series of trades, over a series of time of taking the same playbook trades, we know that we're gonna be up. We know that we're gonna be up in profit at the end of the day, right? And if that's all we gotta do, if all we gotta do is follow our plan every day, then that's what we gotta do, right? All we gotta do is follow the plan and be patient and disciplined to that plan, right? For long-term success, right? It's a strategy plus mental skills that equals long-term success, right?
Yeah, long term. You're trying to play the game long term, well then you gotta play it long term. Trying to be in the game long term, rather.
Yes. Plan the trade and trade the plan. That's a fact, Leo. Correct. As professional traders, it's our job to do that. It's our job to follow our plan. Right, Chad? The markets don't even know who we are. They don't know we exist. All they know is what the charts are gonna do. The charts are gonna do what the charts want to do. And as traders, it's our job to anticipate what the charts are gonna do, right? We gotta go off what the charts are telling us. Some of the people in the chat, you guys gotta stop talking so much, stop talking over the charts, and actually just start to listen to the charts. There's a difference between listening and hearing the charts, right? So make sure you're listening to the charts, be fluent.
All right, beautiful. Let's see if we can get a closure above or if we can get a pullback, and yeah, we'll look to execute on buys here. Yeah, I'm trying to think if we could have drew this level up a little bit different. I think I'm pretty straight with this one, right? Because if we would have had it here, we may have been able to see that celery play. But I think this was probably the best one. Yeah, every time price ran in this area, kind of rejected. When it did close above, it pushed up. But this one closed above with no top wick, so we couldn't really do much there. Let's take a look at pound yen real quick. All right, looks good here. This should be able to close above as well. Both gold and GJ are going up. Do we have a liar on our hands, or what do you guys think? Is there one fibbing? Run your fib and see who's fibbing. Okay, NASDAQ ranging. US30 pumping up.
There goes the trade. Well, I mean, if that was your setup and you didn't take it, then that might have been the case, but...
That was your setup? You didn't take it? Come on, man. You gotta take it if that's your setup. Don't wait on me. I'm just a YouTube guy, bro. I'm just a YouTube guy, man. Oh, yeah. This is pretty nice, actually. Should pick up. Should fill that wick up there. All right, this is clean. We're still in the range. So when the real move is going to happen when we get a break out of the range. At what time is there a lot of volume? Right now, 8:30 usually brings in a lot of volume as well here in 4 minutes. And then you know, 930 also brings a lot of volume as well.
I would rather the close above 1963 on gold.
Yeah.
Yeah, definitely. 100%.
For sure.
Is it possible to be funded just by your signals? Anything is possible. How do you decide to put zones on resistance? You just look for resistance and you put the zone there. Yeah, simple.
Men need to get unfamiliar with the word impossible. I don't want to hear it.
Hey, if you guys haven't liked the stream, give the stream a like here today. If you're not subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're doing $100,000 worth of giveaways here pretty soon to 3 or 4 lucky winners. So if you want your chance to win that, sub to the channel. Tune in every day.
And put on the notifications.
And put on the notifications.
Hit that bell. That's what they say.
Hit the bell.
Hit that bell.
Hit
Click
that
that
bell.
bell. Get those notifications on your phone every single morning. What is one more to the hundreds of random BS you see anyways?
Yeah, let's see if we can get a pullback. If we get a nice little pullback here, we'll get in at 8:30 to fill the wick here.
Motion.
Did a nice little withdrawal yesterday for 6,500 bucks.
Oh.
You guys like that? Hit that bell. Yeah, we're gonna start saying that.
$10K right around the corner. Yes, sir. Yeah, if we get a bottom wick here, then we may look to take positions here on this trade. Yeah, we may be able to see this hourly candle pump all the way up. 4 hour just broke the highs, so should be pretty clean. It's a nice little area right here too. Chappy asking some dumb questions. All right, yeah, chat, lock it in because we might have buy stops here in about 2 minutes. So basically what's going to happen is if this candle opens up, creates a nice bottom wick, we'll take entries right around 1961, somewhere around these, you know, this flip or break of the high or something like that. Yeah, this is good. This is good. So it might be quick. So we got a lot of volume coming in. Let's let this candle give us a bottom wick. If we can get a bottom wick down here, then we're gonna have buy stops at 1961 to 21. So let's see if we can get a bottom wick on this candle, and then we'll set our buy stops. We need a bottom wick though. Okay, I guess no bottom wick there for us. Yeah, spreads are crazy right now. What's going on? All right, well that was the move that we wanted there, but wanted to see a little bit of a steeper bottom wick. It's gone. Impossible equals I'm possible. Yes, sir. Yeah, that was the move we anticipated there. So, lovely. Pushed up very nice. Let's take a look at pound yen here. GJ close. We got the. I'd rather wait for a closure above 181.900 there. That was the plan from the jump. So yeah, I would have attempted that GJ, but didn't really get much there. So Those ain't my pips. Yeah, if we had a bottom wick, we would have set buy stops on the break of the highs, but time to dab. Yeah, Shiro, just dab around a little bit.
Yep, W discipline.
W discipline. Yeah, now we wait for the hour candle. So if this hourly candle can close above, that's going to be great news. 4 hour has broke the highs too. Broke the highs here on the 4 hour. If we get rid of all this and we just look at the 4 hour time frame, what do we see here? Well, we got potential. Well, we got a fake out, right? We got a fake out. Liquidity has been grabbed for price to continue up. If this 4 hour closes above this level of resistance here, you should see price start to move up here. Yep. Yep. If gold is hungry enough, gold is always hungry. So now we wait on the 4 hour here. No dad. Gold is never exhausted. Nah, it's true. Yeah. Yep. Now we just wait. See, no bottom wick. This candle's coming back now. So that's why we never take positions without bottom wicks. Because at any point, this candle could have turned around, right? So if you enter here, 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 you don't know. At any point, you can turn around and create that bottom wick. And so that's why I never enter trades without a bottom wick. And if you break your rules once, you're bound to break them again. So just don't break the rule, right? Especially if you win a trade. You break the rules, you win that trade, guess what happens? Next time, your mind tells you, take this trade. You remember it worked out last time, right? And you know what? Don't just take it, but triple your lot size this time, because look how great it worked last time. And then you do that, and then that's when you get burnt, right? So it's never gonna last long term when you're doing stuff like that. So you got to make sure if you're committed to a system and a strategy, you got to make sure you're committed all the way, not just sometimes or when you feel like it, right? Feelings are overrated. Feelings are going to throw you around. You got to stick to logic, and logic says, hey, if I stay disciplined to the plan, I'll get the desired results I'm looking for. But here we go, back down we go.
That goes through anything in life, trading and in life, right? Like, you can't go off of feelings. You only can go off your duties and obligations you have committed to yourself. So that doesn't just go for trading; it goes for life as well. And you're only creating a bad habit by going against your plan. You're winning your system, and you're only reversing your process.
Mm-hmm. Another day without trades. Legit, bro. Well,
That's hilarious.
that's gonna be up to the market here today. Yeah, I don't know what happened with
Yeah,
our
like-
Forex fund spreads are crazy there.
It seems like it's always
Oh.
at 8:30, whether there's news or not.
Look at that
Isn't there a
push
yellow
down.
folder at 8:30 today? Yeah, there
I don't
was.
think there was. Oh yeah. There's a yellow folder.
Yellow folder, yeah. Just a minute.
Micah, you're too funny, bro. Hey, Micah, I got you on that flight too. Got you on that flight to Tampa.
Can't wait to see this guy. Calling everyone daddy.
Yo, chill.
Chill. Wow, look at that dip down
Outta
there.
here.
Yeah, this is good. This is good.
Yeah, and Micah, we know you be trolling, bro. At least I've always thought you were strong.
Mike could be trolling.
I don't know.
Let me fix this over here.
Micah got me saying, "Hey yo."
Is the chat overlay intentionally blacked out? Yeah, right now it is. I wanted to fix. The chat was looking a little sloppy, so I gotta fix it over the weekend. The drawdown is real for those in that buy. Yeah, I think in this buy we may have closed partials at that resistance. But yeah, anyone who was holding that got caught holding the bag there.
Of course, that was the trade.
I blow my account.
I blow my account. Oh my god.
You guys go look at my story. You look like Maverick right now. That's what some of you guys look like right here.
How does that happen? Like, wait, are you intentionally blowing your account? Was it by accident?
Damn it! Another one. Crap. Dang, man. You know what? I'm just done with this. I'm done with this trading thing. I'm out.
That's your magic keys.
Steven T, just use your credit card and max out another account.
There you go.
That quote's been living.
That's gonna live with
Steven's
Uncle
head.
Scalp forever.
That quote's been living in Steven's head since like, what was that, like a month ago?
Hey, Steven, don't be associating TTE with that quote though, bro. You gotta.
Okay.
Oh man, that's funny.
My favorite part's when they quote John saying it.
Yeah, right. For real.
The one guy, like, he said the whole thing, put it in quotations, dash John's.
Yeah.
Johnny Gems.
Hey, chat, just for the record, we do not encourage you to max out your credit card. We do not encourage you to take on any debt that you do not have planned. That is not something that we encourage here. We encourage that you speak with a financial advisor about every single penny in and out of your bank account.
Correct.
We encourage you pick up your cross and follow Jesus.
There
We
you go.
encourage that. We
Yes.
encourage you to be a professional trader as well.
Yep. Once I buy my yacht, I'll put the TTE logo on it. Oh, damn. We'll be live streaming on the boat, cold. Hey, yo, we're doing a mod meetup. I think in September. I think we're gonna get a boat and some jet skis for that. That's gonna be a fun day. I think we're gonna make a day out of that. Start barbecuing on the boat.
I might go free diving for a sea cow or something.
Me and Sam will be cliff jumping.
Yeah,
Max
true.
out your credit card.
Here of the day, be joking around with it.
Wait, so don't max out my credit card? I already did it.
Yeah.
Remember,
yes, I am
max out my
CPA.
credit card. Next steps.
That's what I read too. Is it Uncle Scalp a CPA?
Yeah.
A
Yes.
financial advisor?
Yo.
Yeah, that was funny, bro.
Uncle Scalpy.
That was funny when he said that.
Okay, sir. Credit card has been maxed out. Next steps.
Yeah. A little bit of
Next
trolling.
steps.
A little bit
Now
of
what?
trolling.
Now what, sir?
Now what? Oh man. You guys
Yeah.
have any time to eat tats yet? Nah. Nope. Nope.
All max, what next? Call the bank, tell them you're trolling.
Call the bank and tell them, bring out the whole ocean. Yeah. Go apply for a credit card. Go to the best seafood restaurant you got and just tell them bring out the whole ocean, and then hit Uncle Scalp up and ask him what to do next.
That's what you should do.
Then repeat.
Bring out the lotion.
There you go.
Nah, that'd be funny, right? Just to do that, like, go to a sea house, or whatever.
Guy said a sea house, dude. Huh?
A lot.
A who?
I'll be going to.
Eh? Yo,
Seafood.
John actually thought he was coming to the mod trip. I said,
Yeah,
dude, you ain't a mod. We were talking yesterday. He's like, yeah, man, I'm looking forward to that mod trip. I'm like, what mod trip, bro?
That's hilarious.
What mod trip are you talking about, dude?
Bro.
Sheesh, I just made the cut.
Yeah, I told him Sam's a
Scalp's
mod.
like,
But...
damn, I'm not coming.
I just made the cut, bro. Hey,
That's
get some
funny.
dabs in the chat.
Yeah.
Start dabbing. Everyone dab that.
Start dabbing. Yeah, GJ buys if we get a closure above here. Yep, buys above here, closure. Closure.
Yo, Chad, I like the troll. I like the troll. Relax.
I like to troll on John, but he seriously thinks he's going to the mod.
Dude,
mod
bro.
meetup.
I'll take
It's
my own
crazy.
trip. I'll take my own trip, bro. Yeah,
me and John will go to Brazil during the mod trip.
yeah,
Alright.
bro. We out.
Sound good. Me and the
Yeah,
rest of the
100%.
mods will be barbecuing on the beach, on
We'll
the
hit up
boat,
Brazil.
hanging
We'll hit
out.
up Greece.
We hit up
Do
Brazil.
it.
They ain't believing us, God, dude. Yeah, the mod trip's gonna be lit.
Yeah, look at all the dabs.
Dabbing on him. Let's get rid of that. Let's take a look at
Yeah, Shad.
TJ.
Shad, we're coming through, Shad.
Shad in the building. Shad's in Brazil, right? No. Shad, where you at?
Shad's
I
in
think
Brazil.
I asked you that yesterday.
Brazil, yeah.
He's in
Yeah.
Brazil.
That's pretty dope, bro. You're in Brazil.
Yeah, we're clean. We're clean here on pound yen. So we'll see if we can get that close above. That'd be great, especially the 4-hour closing above here. This range right here is the 4-hour resistance, the 1-hour resistance. So that's a very strong confirmation if we do close above there. Very strong confirmation. Beautiful. We got clean traffic coming up here to 1982 today. Let's see if we get that. It's been a while. It's been quite some time since we have taken a position here on GJ. Let's take a look here.
Today was my first in a minute.
I think it was yeah, last trade we took on pound yen was the 2nd of June. So it's been over a month here. We had about
You got a
27
trade?
pips.
Last night, John.
Yes, sir. London.
Oh, what time was it? Like at
You
2 a.m.?
2 a.m. GJ. I sent it in Discord as well.
Oh, let me look at it, bro.
Hey
You ran
yo,
up,
we
right?
got rappers in the
Nah,
house.
I was slumped.
Copy.
slumped. I was up early though. I think I got up like 4:30.
Word. That's mad early.
Hey, if you guys aren't following me on IG too, go follow me on IG. I need 2 more. Look, 2 more till we get to 4K. This was our last mod trip we had. We had a good time.
That was a mantra.
That was just a quick, this is just a quick brief look at the mod trip last time. Drop a like. John was there. Yeah, he was there. I'm just trolling with, you know what, we like to troll. We do a little troll. Yo, we got rappers in the house. We got people putting together rhymes.
Yeah, I
You know
love
there's
seeing
a
like
fake-
that.
Oh yeah, fake profiles on IG. Yes. Yeah, gang. Public service announcement in front of 1,700 people here. I will never, ever, ever message you super randomly and be like, "Hey, how's your trading going? I'm just swinging by to say hello and see how everyone in the Discord is doing. I didn't let anybody know yet, but I do want to let you know on this early bird special, I have this trade copier that I've been keeping a secret, and I haven't told anybody on stream about it. But I want to let you know that I can turn your $10,000 into $100,000. Just send me some crypto, and we'll be good to go. Or you know what? If you can go to Walmart and just buy like 200 gift cards, just send all that information over to me, and I'll get that flip guaranteed over to you in about 20 hours max. You'll have it within 24 hours by the next day.
I'll turn 500 to 5,000.
Give me your credit card information.
And the last 4 of the social. Okay, awesome, we're good to go. Well, hey, rest assured, I will be right back with you. Just give me a little bit of time. We're gonna turn these money printers on right now. I'm gonna flip the switch on my trade copier that has 0 losses in the last 6 months, and we are gonna triple this money for you. Ain't gonna happen. Yeah. I could turn 10,000 into 45 bucks overnight. Crypto sent. I received one that says, "Hello, brother. How's your past experience trading?" Yeah, because I would say something like that, right? Sent the crypto last night, waiting for the return. No wonder he wanted my mom's maiden name. That's funny. Roblex gift card. And he's gone. Rest assured, I'll be right back with you. And he's gone. Too funny. They're gonna cut the live stream. Hey, don't give them any ideas. This is looking pretty. Yo, you guys are funny. Let's check here. Let's look at US30. Yeah, it's pumping, pushing up, pushing. Yeah, US30 is should continue up here today. Should continue up. You're kind of tapping into that resistance level here, so you want to see if this candle can close above, and then if it does, just get an eye on the 4-hour candle. 4-hour time frame is pretty clean coming up here. Yeah, I really don't see any hold up here. Very clean traffic on the way up. So again, let's see how this 4-hour candle closes here, and then we'll look to see if we can get some data in. Yeah, I think, yeah, looks good. NASDAQ just chopping around here still. Yeah, you really want to see a close above here. But we do have the, oh man, if we can get this 4-hour celery play, that's going to be lovely. Lovely to end the week. Yeah, let's see where this 4-hour candle closes here. That'd be beautiful.
Got fire in the booth in the chat, bro.
Yeah, I know. Bring out the whole ocean. Traders in commotion. Some blow their accounts like a wild explosion.
Oh my god.
Man got bars.
Drop it.
Chasing
Drop
scammer
it,
tips.
brother.
Andrew, yo, I'm gonna send you a beat.
We're
Trying to get signed.
We're gonna get you on the soundboard
We're
here,
gonna
bro.
get you signed. You're gonna be first.
Yo, get him
signed
on
to
this.
TTE.
Yo, throw a beat on. Get him on the Zoom.
TTE label.
Freestyle.
It's Freestyle Friday, gang.
Get him on the Zoom, quick.
Get him on the Zoom. Hey, you want to spit some fire on Zoom real quick?
I'll freestyle.
Forget who that was.
I ain't got nothing to do.
He's
Slide
like,
in
"Eh,
the 392.
why not?
Ain't got nothing to do.
Yeah, chat. I took a payout here yesterday for 6,500 bucks, and it's been a good run. Been a good run. Now we begin again.
Let's go, W.
That yeah.
Time to eat records.
Time to eat records coming soon.
TTE got talent.
Yeah.
Y'all are funny, bro.
Nah, this is looking clean. I don't think you guys realize how clean this is starting to look. This looks good. Do. Buying signals today. Usually, which time frame do you trade? Usually pre-New York. So sometimes before the stream, I get positions. During the stream, maybe an hour or two after the stream, and then I won't really call anything till like Asian session if we get a move, or London session. $1.6K viewers. Drop a like. Hey, drop a like, gang. And if you haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. We're creeping on our way to 10K here. You could be a part of helping us get to 10K today, and we're going to be doing some giveaways and a lot of fun stuff as we creep on 10K and 20K and move on forward.
Every like from here on out is how many backflips Johnny Boy has to do at the end of the stream.
Yep. Can you withdraw every 2 weeks?
Like
yeah.
100.
Hey, chat, can we get to 1,000 likes before the 4-hour close? I think if we get to 1,000 likes before that close, that's gonna bring us some good vibes. I think so. Yeah, let's see if we can get it. Yeah, if you haven't liked the stream, let's get to 1,000 before this 4-hour close here. What pairs do you trade? I trade gold and GJ. Nightbot broke. Nightbot's never broke. It ain't never broke. All right, look at this. Look at this. Pulling back. Yeah, let's see what happens here.
Nightbot quacking.
Nightbot quacking. How often do you trade GJ? We haven't traded GJ since the 2nd of June, so it's been a minute. It's been a minute. We'll probably trade GJ a little bit more during the London session now. Now that the London session is kind of moving a bit, I think you'll see a lot more trades coming in during the London session.
GJ's been basura,
Yes, sir.
basura.
Where are you? Yeah, volume, where are you? 10K subs coming in hot. Yes, sir. When I scale out of trade position, I usually take either 90% or 50%, and that all gets determined by the range, right? So let's say we took this trade here. Here, I'll draw it on here. Let's say we took a position here, and we took sells coming down, and we didn't have much of a range, right? I would take 90% right here, because there's not really much of a range to go down, right? Take 90% right there. But if this trade was a little bit different, and this is what determines whether I'm taking 90 or 50. So if instead we get a trade that looks like this with a closure below, right, something like this, then here I'll hold the bulk of my position because we got super clean traffic. So it's a really nice range, you know, to the downside. So I would only close 50% of my position, you know, somewhere. I'll have to look left on here, but at some point I'll close 50%, like maybe let's say right here, just as an example, and not 90%, because if we look left, we still have a lot of clean room, a lot of clean range to continue down. So that's what determines whether or not I close 50% or 90%. See, in this case, we don't have much room. We don't have much room to continue down, so I'll take most of my position there. But if it looks like this, then I'll take half and I'll let half of that continue to run. Yeah, or not even take anything at all. We got clean ranges. If we are coming down today, it's pretty clean. partials today would probably be somewhere around here.
We're due for a nice big range.
Yeah, we are.
Yeah.
We're due.
Are we ever?
Are your payouts weekly, bi-weekly or monthly? Whatever you guys, whatever, you know, you have the option. By the way, gang, it looks like my Forex funds, if you guys are in the middle of an evaluation, don't rush because they just came out with the rule that you have no time limit, even current active evaluation accounts. So just wait on it.
Blessed.
Holiday, holidays celebrate, Nick. The Matrix escaped Nick. Nick makes onions cries. That's too funny, man. He is the most interesting man in the world. Yeah, guys, so don't rush your challenge. Ever. Ever, ever.
There's no rush. Except the rush you set up in your mind.
Let's get 2K viewers. Hey, you know how we do that? We like the stream, gang. We like the stream up. We provide the free value. All we ask is that you like the stream. When Nick's at your house, you're the guest. Wanted to ask if I need to buy EAs or add-ons if I want to use magic keys. Nope. Nope, you don't need anything extra. Just if you're running a Mac, I think you got to run Parallels, but if you're using a Windows computer, it should be good to go. Oh yeah, come on, let's see how we close here. Yeah, so we're gonna close up shop here in just a minute, and we'll see how we close. GJ is closing in a few minutes, so we're not rushing to look at that. Nick arrest the police. Bro, where you getting this from, dude?
Who is that, Red?
That's funny. GJ has to pull back.
We got the new hour we got the new 4-hour candle.
Yep, new 4-hour candle coming in hot here. We got a closure above. It's going to be good to go. Good to go. Oh yeah, that's right. They make magic keys for Mac. Nick gives gifts to Santa. Yo, that's hilarious. Okay, 4-hour candle has closed. Let's take a look. GJ looks really good. We need a bottom wick. Let's take a look at gold here. Gold looks like, ooh. Yeah, it looks like we may have like a celery play here, but we're still gonna wait for the closure that we're looking for on the 30-minute time frame. And then once we get that, hopefully we see something like this, right? 9 a.m. to 9:30 brings us down. Gets us to close below the level here, and then we're going to take our sells coming down. So if we can get this candle to close like this at 9:30, we'll take our sells coming down here. Something like that. But we don't want to jump on sells too quick, right? Because 1 hour did close bullish. I mean, a 4-hour did close bullish, but where it closes is just as important. So let's just wait. We got no wick here at all yet, so just give it some time. GJ as well. We need a bottom wick, and then we'll be in there like swimwear. GJ buy? Not yet. You could buy now if you want. I'm gonna wait for a bottom wick. Chuck Norris is afraid of Nick. What about the news at 10 a.m.? Yeah, it's at 10 a.m. It's only 9 a.m. Nick can identify UFOs. Nick gave birth to his mom. Yo. Nick gives tooth fairy his money to the tooth fairy. Yo. Hey, I like that one. Nick doesn't chase price. Price chases Nick. Nick doesn't live under a rock. The rock lives on. Yo, what? That's hilarious. Hilarious. Nick wakes up the alarm. Oh, damn. Oh, damn. Yeah, nah, this looks good. GJ looks pretty clean too here today, chat. We might be giving GJ some love here today. Nick raised his parents. Give me 1 sec. I'll be right back.
Hilarious.
Nick tells JP what to say.
That's hilarious.
Y'all got funnies in you on a Friday.
Right.
Friday, they got the
In that
Friday
Friday
funnies,
mood.
Sam. Sam, they got the
That
Friday
Friday mood.
funnies.
Funny Friday funnies. Hey, what you boys got going on this weekend?
I'm going to Cape May this weekend.
Hey, that's what's
Yeah,
up, bro.
Never been there before.
Very
What about
time.
you? What are you doing?
Not much, bro. Just gonna be chilling
Chilling
at
out.
the crib and vibing.
Nice.
Got no plans.
No plans. Nick's now
Just
dealing with the
storming
big
by
money
me an
over the
hour
call.
ago.
Yeah. Wait, what'd you say happened an hour ago?
Storming by me.
Oh, yeah. We do a little storming.
Hello, George.
Georgie.
George.
Oh, Busch Gardens and SeaWorld with the kids. Oh, nice. That should be fun.
Hey, man, enjoy that. Enjoy that moment.
That should be a good time. Let's take a look at US30 here. Oh yeah, look at that. So yeah, I would be looking to take buys here on US30. So you guys know we're sample sizing US30 right now. Yeah, not a bad move there. Break of the highs. Nick don't check the news. Nick is the news. Oh, look at the NASDAQ here. Really struggling. Struggling. Yo. I have learned to be more disciplined than to trading itself. This channel, yeah, thanks. Yeah, you're gonna see a lot of discipline here, gang. Like, you're gonna see us take trades when those high quality trades come about, but you know, you gotta wait for those. This month has been a bit slow. Yeah, the opening of July has been. We had a lot of news early on in the month, and then I think we're just trying to bounce back, right? Because this is all we had was this push up here for CPI. Other than that, now we're just trying to. We got punched in the head by Mike Tyson, and now price is just dizzy, trying to catch back, right? But if we notice right here, what could we expect if we get a closure below here? We can expect a move down, right? A nice clean move down. What does price like to do? It likes to look left and mirror what happened to the left hand side. So what do you see here? So if we do get a closure below here, that's what we're going to anticipate happening, right? And then we're going to look left. We're going to see where we can secure profits, but that's what you should see happen here. If that happens today, I don't know, but I do believe once we do break out of that range here and close below the support, you're going to see a push. You're going to see a push. Look at here. right? Clean traffic. Clean traffic. Same thing, right? Look over here. Clean traffic. Clean traffic. And some of you guys are upset that you missed like a move. Like, dude, look at all the moves. There's going to be more moves. Trust me. Just because you think you missed a move doesn't mean there's not another one coming. Don't let it fool you. Oh, wow. What do you know here? Clean move down, clean move on the other side, right? Hey, what do you see here? Clean move down, clean move back up.
Repeats.
Over and
Cycles
over
repeat.
and over and over again. Gold's exhausted, bro. Dropped. Right? These moves happen all the time. Later. Who got moves? You got moves. Nick don't wait on the markets. The markets wait for Nick. I'm down to miss moves and preserve capital for perfect setups. Bingo.
Go.
That sounds like a guy who's been trading the markets for 35 plus years. That's what he would say. You know what a guy who doesn't profit says? Why aren't you taking any trades?
Why aren't you trading?
Let me trade.
Why did you take that move?
Nick's scared to take a trade. Yes, I am. I'm very scared to take a trade when my setup doesn't show up. Absolutely. But when it does, I am as confident as they come, and I'll execute it without zero hesitation. Your accounts are going poof. Poof, be gone. Quality over quantity, there you go. Nick's taking trades behind the screen. Yeah. It seems like you only watch the markets, bro. Hey, where's Peanut been? I haven't seen Peanut since that 2-hour trade that we closed in profits.
He jumped overboard.
He jumped overboard. Tell him bring out the whole ocean and then Peanut comes with it. Nah, shout out to Peanut. Shout out to Peanut. I don't know if Peanut's here today, but hope Peanut's doing well.
Yep.
GJ entered today? Question mark? The trade is scared to take Nick. There you go.
Sounds like you don't know what you're doing.
Yeah, GJ, we need a bottom wick, gang. Just wait on it. Looks good, though. As long as we can get a bottom wick here, we're very clean. Yeah, I want to see a bottom wick because we need a bottom wick on the 4-hour candle here too. So. GJ's loading. Trade's quick. Yeah, just wait on gold here. I'm telling you, it'll be worth the wait. 1 hour or 30. I'll wait for a 30 because the next 30-minute candle is going to bring a lot of volume in here. So ideally, I would love to see this 30-minute candle here close below. Yeah, that's support right there. That's got our name on it, right? Gold has been rejecting this area over and over and over again. We need to close below there. We close below there, you're going to see a lot of volume push.
See a big move close below.
Bro really said no trade, no like. Oh man, that's funny. No trade, no like. You break, you buy. That's too funny. I didn't see that comment, but that's hilarious. That just made my day. That's yo, some of you guys think I work for you. I don't work for no one, man. I only work for the Lord. The Lord's work. Yesterday I got stopped out on GJ. Well, good thing that was yesterday, man. Now we're moving on to today. Yeah. 1,700 people here today. Hey, thanks for stopping by the channel. If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to it now. We're doing 100K worth of giveaways here real soon. And we want you guys to be a part of that. We're doing $100,000 worth of challenge accounts, and we're also doing 3 months of free signals. And if you guys, so I've seen some questions about the free signals. Yes, the promo is still running, so we still have the 2 months free. So purchase any package of signals and get 2 months free. And then if you do purchase lifetime or 1 year access between now and I think I might leave that open. I don't know, maybe another week. But you know, with that you'll get lifetime access to signals and Zoom. So yeah, GJ got a bottom wick. All right, cool. Cool. Hey, can we get 1,000 likes here before the NYSE Open? I think that will give our trade much more confirmation. I need 1,000 likes, man. I need it. GJ. Nick, I don't copy anyone's trades. Is it cool if I just hang out here? Yes, sir. Or ma'am, yes it is. Perfectly fine. Come on. Can you please remind me when the Bible study is? Oh, those are Monday nights. Yeah, every Monday night. Where can we find your London session trades? Those are going to be sent out in the Signals channel. I won't be live streaming that or anything. I identify as a W. That's too funny.
Trans everything.
Hey chat, we're almost there. We almost got 1,000 likes. Oh, what time is it? 7:30. Yeah, 7:30. 7:45, right? Is that what time we start? Yeah, 7:45 every Monday night. Why don't you do live stream back testing? Because I do a live stream forward testing. We did a simulation on one stream. So yeah, sometimes we do that. Where could I find your Signals channel? Oh, everything's in the Discord. So if you guys want access to the Signals room, just click there, just ! Signals, and you'll be able to find that. But this is our Signals channel here. It's pretty basic, pretty simple, right? Get the call, you get the basically every time we make a move, right? If we're moving stop losses or closing partials, you're gonna get notified. And yeah, this is the Signals channel. This is the behind the curtain look at the Signals channel here. Yeah, see, everything comes in pretty much exactly the same. Notice how all these trades look very similar, right? That's because we only have a group of playbook setups that we take. So yeah, if you guys do want that, you can figure out where to find it. But everything is in the description, or Nightbot will hook you up. Your stream is going faster than Raja. Oh, is it? Oh, nice. Do we get 2 free months? Yeah, any package that you purchase, you get 2 free months. So that's gonna continue on for maybe another week or so, and then we'll probably go back to the regular standing. Maybe 30-minute celery on GJ. Yeah, that'd be nice. Oh, 39 more likes to 1K. Hey, 39 likes. Where can I find your trade journal? That's going to be in the Discord as well. So just come to the Discord here and go to the announcement section up here, and you'll find it right up here. So just scroll up a little bit and it'll be right there. Oh, what happened here? Oh. Screen sharing has stopped. Oh, hold on one sec. Okay.
Taking a trade without you guys chat.
Look at that. See, because we didn't get the likes. Hey, I'm going to end the Zoom link and we're going to run it back. Zoom. Yeah, I'm not too sure what happened there. We're still on YouTube though, right? We're still on the YouTube. Let me send this link back in the Discord. Share my screen. Okay, cool. Don't know what happened there. Let's get rid of this. Yeah, I'm not too sure what happened there. Oh, 5 more likes, and we're creeping on 1,000. Nick inhales carbon dioxide. Let's see here. Okie dokie. We got 10 more minutes here. 10 more minutes. GJ not looking bad either. See if we can get positions on GJ as well as gold here today. Gold starting to reject a bit. 4 hours still has no top wick. We did break the 4-hour lows, which is a good sign. So we'll see what happens here.
Be back.
We're back. Hey, yo. Oh, what?
No, Bengali. Why is up here?
Oh man.
We got motion in the Zoom.
Yeah, we do.
All right, let me fix this up.
Zoom is quaking.
Zoom's quaking. Where'd Johnny Boy go? I don't know. I don't know where Johnny Boy went.
He's lost.
He's lost in Zoom
He
land.
got lost in the crowd. And the motion. Motion took him.
The motion took him.
Was someone rapping in this? Yo.
Someone broke the stream. They were rapping so good.
I thought I was being hacked. It's actually hilarious. Sam Quake and no, that's nothing, bro.
Nothing. Nothing. You can set Zoom. Yeah, for some reason I'm setting it, but they're still coming up not muted. Oh, we got cracked 1,000 likes. Hey, can we crack 10K subs though? If you guys haven't subbed to the channel, subscribe to the channel. What are you doing?
Motion.
What are you doing? There he goes. All right, we got 9:30 coming up here, ladies and gentlemen. NYSE open. Gonna be coming up here. Maybe looking to take buys on pound yen. Maybe looking to take sells on gold if we can close below that level. Right now, we're kind of dealing with some of this chop, and no one likes to be involved in chop. Right, Uncle Scalp?
He doesn't know.
He's working.
He forgot.
He's helping someone rebound after maxing out their credit cards.
You're gonna have him quaking on the call, bro.
See, he wants you to max out your credit card so you can hire him to figure things out. What are you waiting on? At this point, 9:30. So we want to see if gold can close below. GJ, we may have a celery play here coming up. So we got pretty clean range to drive on GJ. So yeah, we do have this level here that I want to be careful with. Probably going to go break even at that point. And I think that'll be like 13, 14 pips in profit. Probably won't close anything. Yeah, like 11, 12 pips. And it's got a nice range to continue up if we want to keep going. So, but
Yo,
I would
John.
really want to see gold here. Gold would
Yo.
be the best.
You can hear me, John?
Yeah, I can.
Alright. I don't know what happened before.
How do you send signals? In the Discord, yeah. Yep. Uncle came back. Yeah, where'd he go though?
Back.
There he is.
I was muted. I was silenced.
You were silenced by the Zoom. The Zoom silenced you. Alright, 6 minutes left here in this candle. We should have a lot of volume dumping in about 6 minutes here. So just hang on tight, get your seatbelts on, lock it in, get ready to roll. It might be GJ, it might be gold. We don't know yet. We're just gonna wait for the markets to give us that answer, and we should have a great trade and go on into the weekend with a beautiful dub. Yeah, we want to see gold push now. Push gold, push. If it's gold or GJ, it's 100% gold. Oh, wait, that was... Wait, where was that at? Oh yeah, that was the other one.
Oh, yeah.
No.
Go to the
sound
volume
mixer,
mixer.
right?
Yeah.
Oh, annotation tools? You could lower that too. Wait, it should be lowered.
Yo, wait, where is it?
Wait, yeah, where'd it go? It was like right here.
It must be good. Is it? What is that? Zoom meetings? I don't know. Maybe turn down the
Nah.
tools too. Someone says it's loud again, or is it loud again?
I don't know, you gotta talk.
Oh, yo.
Oh wow.
Is that it?
Yeah, that's it.
Annotation
So
tools.
we'll leave it at 35. I think it was at. Switching names on us and stuff.
I forgot I have to talk.
Are you aware of the 10 a.m. news? Yes, of course. Of course. As a trader, I'm aware of every factor going on.
How could you not be aware of news as a professional?
Yeah. Come on, gold. Some of you guys are. Please push down. Come on, gold. Yeah, I would like to see gold close below there.
So,
Would you take both trades? Nah, usually not. I usually pick one or the other. Socks ready? Yes, they are. Man blue 1K. Perfect, perfect. Look at gold pulling back, pulling back. Got 2 minutes. 2 minutes gold. Yeah, we broke the 4-hour lows. It's been a broke the 4-hour highs, then we broke the 4-hour lows. It's crazy. Yeah, GJ's good to continue on up. We just gotta wait for this candle to close, right? We're not gonna enter 2 minutes in with the candle to close, right? We like to troll. Do you trade the Dow Jones or you trade gold, or there is a difference? Yeah, there's a difference. But yeah, we're gonna be trading the Dow Jones here soon. Sold it cause lost 200. Oh. Why can't we see the chat on stream? I just took it down to fix it up. Get it right. Stacks. Yeah, they used to call me the Stack King. If you have positions before news, do you close them? Yeah, either that or just move stops to break even. Maybe close partials, move stops to break even, and then yeah. So if we don't close below by 9:30, the best thing we could wait for at that point is a close below on the 15, and then we could take advantage of the second half of the 9:30 candle. All right, well that's 9:30. We should have volume coming in here now. So we're gonna wait on the 15-minute candle here to see if we can get a close below. If we can, we're gonna take these positions. If not, then let me guess, GJ close or no top wick? Oh, we got a top wick there. Bye, GJ. Alrighty. Yeah, gold's trolling this week, man. Alright, let's take a look at this bottom wick here. 15 pip bottom wick. Yeah, that looks pretty good. So we're gonna have buy stops here on pound yen. So let's take a look. We got pretty clean traffic moving up. I'm gonna have buy stops on the break of the highs here, which, let me get my MT5 up. Yeah, 4 hour looking to flip bullish as well here. Let's take a look so I can get you the exact number here. So buy stops on a break of the highs on GJ, that's going to be 182, 135. 182, 135. Stops are going to be, as of right now, 181, 970. And then TPs are going to be up here at 182, 500. And that'll be the trade. So buy stops, hold on, let me get you a better. Buy stops 182, 130. And then, yeah, we'll see. We may have to adjust that stop loss. But it looks clean on the 4 hour, I'll tell you that. Very clean on the 4 hour. If we could break that 4 hour high, we should have no problem pushing up here. 1 hour looks pretty clean as well. We just got to break that high again. 30-minute looks pretty clean also. So, looks good. So buy stops on the break of the highs. Just account for spread. Make sure you got your spread under control. And yeah. And then gold, we'll just wait on gold here. Yeah, gold's gonna see if we make a top wick and then re-break the low. That could be a potential position. I'm not going to take that today. That's something I'm looking at and sample sizing. But if we come up, it'll be almost like a would you look at that play, right? All right, so stops are going to be 181. Oh, let's just wait. Let's just see what this thing's going to do.
Previous candle stops were like 20 pips
Yeah.
on the 30.
Yeah, we use previous candle stops. So new stop loss on GJ is going to be 181, 900. If we break those lows, we're going to delete the buy stops though. Yeah, I like that. Previous candle lows, break of the previous candle highs, that should be good to go. If we break the high, you should see a nice push there on pound yen. Oh, would you look at that? Would you look at that?
Yeah, would you look at that on the 30-minute?
Look at that.
Like a would you look at that?
Yo,
Would you?
1 hour rejection. 4 hour flipping bullish. Interesting.
I think it's deleted this. Wait, though. I think it deleted though.
Yeah, if we break this low,
Oh no, right now.
who's the culprit here? Yeah, we still have the buy stops. If we break the low, we'll delete them. But if this candle respects the low, then we're going to keep them. We have respected that low. Doo, 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 doo. Let's see here. Yeah, I like the 4 hour. 4 hour looks very clean here on pound yen. We break that 4 hour high, very high chance we're going to push up. Or we can probably have a 15-minute celery play here too. Just in time for the volume. Why not enter on the previous candle break of the high? Because the difference is only like 1 pip, 2 pips. So I would rather, or let me see how much the difference is. Yeah, 1 pip. So that 1 pip can cost you. So if we're breaking these highs, I want to see that, right? Those are going to be the 30-minute highs, 1-hour highs, and the 4-hour highs, all breaking. So come on, Goldie. Can the funded account giveaway get a time to eat? Yeah, time to eat elite shirt. I think so. TTE. Yeah, let's do it. What's your stop loss on the buy limit? It's not a buy limit, it's a buy stop. And my stop loss is stops are gonna be right here. 181,900. Yep. 181,900 is the stop loss here. Let's see if we can get it, ladies and gentlemen. I really like this on the 4-hour time frame. This is heavily based off the 4-hour here. Heavily based off the 4-hour. All right, here we go, gold. Beautiful. Let's see how this 15-minute candle closes. If we close below the range, then we're gonna have sell stops and a break of the lows. We gotta push down though. Got to. Wait for news. Yeah, if we come into like last couple minutes of the hourly, we'll delete. What's the monthly profit target on the live account? There is no monthly target on the live account.
It's whatever you want to make.
It's whatever you can put together. All right, can we get activated here? Gold going back. Yeah, gold is all over the place. We really need to look at this ever since Wednesday. Just trucking around this. That's clearly why we haven't gotten a trade, right? Since Wednesday or Tuesday, because it's just been moving around.
Flow state. Flow with gold.
Flow. Is it true that my Forex funds will have no time limit? Yeah, they already did it. Yep. Just hanging around. What's the stop loss? 181,900, right? Is that what we said?
Yeah, it was 181.900.
Yeah, 181,900. It's below the previous 30-minute low. FTMO has no time limit either. Yup. Yeah, a lot of companies are following suit now. Yup. Why I can't use a 10 lot for a 100K account? You could pretty much do whatever you want, man. Yeah, you can do whatever you want. Come on, gold. Come on. Come to us. How about the funded trader? Will they remove it? Yeah, they already did, right? I think they already removed it.
They did it for the standard account.
Oh, okay.
I think they're working on doing it for the rest of the accounts.
Nice.
Yeah,
I mean, what's so hard? Just make a decision.
I guess so, yeah.
Yeah.
We're working on it. Like, what exactly are you working on? So is that the same thing for my Forex funds as well? I mean, are they doing that on previous value or standard accounts? Like if you already have a standard account, is that having no time limit on it now, or is it just new accounts?
I think it's all standard because they took away my time limit, and I'm on phase 2 of my
Oh, nice. Wait, on the funded trader or my Forex?
my Forex.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Well, my Forex, I definitely know that they took it away for even existing accounts.
Mm-hmm.
Where is the volume? NASDAQ took off. Hey Nick, what's your lot size? I usually use 10 lots. Sometimes I use 20 lots for pound yen, but I'm just sticking with a 10 lot here today. News in 18 minutes, yep. Can we get activated?
This range in gold is so serious.
Hey chat, I'm gonna delete these and add them back in 2 minutes. So delete your buy stops and add them. I'm gonna tell you the reason why right now, because if this 15-minute candle pushes up and activates us, and then let's say closes with no top wick or something like that, now we're in a position that we're not looking to be in. So let this 15-minute candle close and then just add them right back. Right? We've been hit with this before. We don't want to get hit with that. So just let the 15-minute candle close and then you can add them back. Because we may have a 15-minute seller play here too. Just work on it. So I'm adding mine back right away. Same exact position. Same stops, same entry, same TP, all that. Gold pushing up. All right, so you could add those buy stops back. Now that that 15 closed, and we may have a 15-minute celery play here. Get a bottom wick, start breaking these highs. Goldie trolling, yep.
Yeah, gold is into serious trolling.
Gold likes to troll a little bit. It does a little trolling. Yeah, we'll see what happens here. Really hasn't done too much. Right, 1 hour candle just kind of pushed up, made a high, came down, made a low, so you may have a 15 celery on our hand before news, and 30-minute breakout, 1 hour breakout, 4 hour breakout. So it all looks pretty good. Everything's pointing upwards. Did you add the buy stops back? Yes. Yep. Added them back. Buy stops have been added back. Right here. You can see it on my screen. Just wait on it. Ray Digatti. Ray Digatti in the building. How sure
are you about that trade between 1 and 10? That was good.
See, I don't have to be sure because we got a playbook and we have a sample size data, and that data says that if we get a breakout, we have an 85% win rate here. So out of 10, I am 8.5% sure, confident that this trade will go in our favor.
How sure are you, sir?
Yeah, like I'll scale 1 to 10.
Yeah. Hey, before I set this buy stop, how sure are you about this trade?
That was cold.
%60 of the time works every time. Yeah.
Leaper.
Yeah, the take profit somewhere around this 182.500 zone here. Freaking gold. Bring out the whole ocean. Yeah, if it breaks the lows again, that means it's breaking the 30-minute lows, so we'll probably delete. But as of right now, it's been respecting that low, so. Yeah, we got a red folder here on the US dollar, so prelims coming in. Maybe this news will shake gold up a little bit. Yeah, 30 minutes still respecting that low there. You're not that guy. It's bearish on the 15, so not logical to buy. I've seen that plenty of times. Plenty of times. Yeah, if it gets close to this 1 hour, so we got like 10 minutes left in this 1 hour candle. So if we don't get activated pretty shortly here, then we may delete and wait for the 1 hour. You pretty much have a 1 hour celery play. Yeah.
News might push gold up, finally break that zone.
Goldie. Good old Goldie.
That'd be pretty ideal. News push it up, and then take entry after news settles.
Pushing. Pushing. Alright, 15-minute creating a top wick here now.
Brownie boy chilling.
Chilling.
The chair looks crazy, bro. rocking like crazy.
Chair, yeah, rocking chair.
Rocking like crazy.
It's making me honestly fall asleep.
Each chair got motion.
Yeah, chat. I'm gonna delete these buy stops
Seriously.
here. Wait for the 1 hour candle to close. So I'm gonna delete the buy stops again. We only have like 7 minutes left or 8 minutes left in this candle. If it flips and drives now, it is what it is. I'd rather wait for the, because if we wait for the 1 hour, now we have another closure above here on the 1 hour, and we also have a 30-minute celery play. So I would much rather wait for that, and instead of getting activated here with 5 minutes left into the 1 hour candle. Yeah, that's gonna make the most sense here.
Smart.
Yep. Yep. Delete. 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 Delete.
Delete.
Delete. Delete. Time. It's not time to eat. It's time to delete. Put some delete on it. Yeah, there you go. Gone. Yeah, I think that's gonna be the best decision we can make there. Trust me, you guys are gonna be happy we're doing this. Delete. Time to delete. Yeah, let me grab some water. I'll be right back. We'll wait for this 1 hour candle to close here. Boys, you need some water?
Nah, I got some. Good looks though.
Got some water?
Thanks. Yeah, Chad, that's a smarter move. Wait for the 92% setup, right? With the stronger time frame. Right.
Yep. Cause it's just like, if it flips now, we gotta, well, not that we have to, but we're betting on it to do what we want it to do within the last 7 minutes here.
Yeah.
And that includes, it having to make a top wick, it pulling back, so we better just chill.
For sure. We don't want to get an unnecessary drawdown.
Yep, I think we
I
would
really
just
wanna-
got put in too if we didn't delete them.
Yeah.
I really want to see
Oh, yeah.
news push gold out of this range right now.
Let's see what they're expecting.
See what happens.
Yeah, that'd be nice if it could at least just get us out, whether it's up or down. I
Yeah.
don't care. See, that's the thing about the news, is like, I really don't care what it is. Like, I don't want to guess at it, and I'm not saying you are either. I'm just saying, like for the chat, I'm not gonna guess. I'm just gonna let it show me. News.
I
no
just
news,
like,
nothing.
yeah, I'm just saying I hope it goes up because I'm just looking at the higher time frames and it's like, I feel like
Think it's move up.
more likely to go up.
Did you
a
say
little
buy,
bit.
sir? Oh, look at that. We would have got activated, no?
Yeah, we would
that's
have.
what I was saying, I
Uh-oh.
think so.
We would have been activated there. Wow.
And now we're being drawn out.
And now the next 1 hour candle's got to open. So it may be a bigger, steeper bottom wick now. So those are the reasons, right? So if you didn't delete it, now you understand why we did. Hold on, did I delete mine? Yeah. Wait, did I delete? Did I delete? Gold going nowhere today. Nowhere, nowhere fast. It's like you've done this before, yeah, right? If these flies, if it flies after news, we're gonna see some. We didn't delete ours. Yeah. if you didn't delete, you know, just be prepared to go back in a drawdown. I'm not saying that you're gonna lose this trade. We've been respecting the low there. I'm just saying I deleted because I didn't want to get activated, and let's say this candle closed with no top wick, or we get activated, now go back in a drawdown, and the next candle got to open up, and that one got to make a bottom wick. So, you know, I'm not saying that we're still ahead in this position, right? But we're creeping on the last couple minutes of the hourly candle, and you don't want to, you know, you don't want to pull back and then pull back again and be stuck in the trade and all that good stuff. Yeah, I've been around the block a few times. Been here a couple times before. Just got activated. What could I do? Just kind of, yeah, I just told you. I just explained that. The buy stops, why we deleted them.
Chaos in the chat.
Yeah, we had the delete train going. Trust the YouTube guy. Pray. Yeah, it still looks good. Still got a 30-minute celery play here. Still looking pretty good from my point of view. 4-hour closed above. Still very bullish. Daily should continue pumping up here. Everything looks good, right? It's not that I think the trade is invalid. I just didn't want to get in on the last couple minutes of the 1 hour there. Yeah, look at that. As Scott would say,
setup.
what would Scott say? He would say, what is it? Sandbagging son of a gun? You sandbagging son of a gun. Yeah, we'll reset the buy stops once we get a closure. After we get a little bit of a 1 hour bottom wick. So everything's gonna be the same. Like we're probably gonna re-enter the trade, just a little bit of a higher entry. Maybe a pip or two. Yeah, because now we got a 30-minute celery, so now we'll keep our stops the same, our TP the same, our entry just changes from whatever it was to 182, 140. That's all. 182, 140, that becomes the new entry. That's about 1 or 2 pips ahead. And stop losses stay the same, TP stays the same. Should be good. There's a level on the left. Handbag, son. I swear someone just farted. Mute mics. Just let one rip. Let it rip, tater chip. One thing we've been really good is just really waiting for our deal in the markets. That's, even though we didn't get a lot of trades off this week, you should be proud because you really, oh, what? Huh? Who that?
Somebody's trolling.
Someone's trolling in Zoom.
Yo, that was loud. Who was that?
The boy Chris. But
That sounded like Telemundo. What was that?
It did. It sounded like a commercial.
Got the gulag now in the Zoom. Yep. But yeah, nah, you should be proud of yourself. You were very patient. Here comes the news. So just let's see what the spreads are looking like here. But let's see. Everyone that was already in, they should be able to go for a ride now. Spreads are about 4 pips, so I can't take anything just yet here.
There comes gold. Let's go. What's it doing? And it's pushing down again.
Goldie gonna push down here for us.
Dude,
it's
get an so all over the place. It's crazy.
I'm telling you, our patience is gonna pay off today. We're gonna get an entry here. We need it. Yeah. We need that close below. GJ, if you guys are in GJ, I would have went break even right there. And yeah, should continue up to 182, 500 here. I love a good tele.
W's. I took a W on GJ.
Bro, if this thing actually breaks.
W spread. We watching Telemundo.
Somebody had that in the background.
Yes, sir. Come on, gold. There we go. Beautiful.
Finally.
All right, we're gonna break through
Jeez.
these levels here, and then wherever we
Out
get a
of
closure,
this.
that's where we're gonna look to take positions at.
Finally
So
out
this
of
is
that
gonna be much better
damn
than GJ.
zone. All right. Yeah.
Uncle Scalp, you good over there?
Yeah, man. I'm just like so
Yeah,
happy
you
it's
did.
like out of that zone finally.
Well, not
Sheesh.
yet. We still didn't get a closure, so we're
I know,
we're
but it's
not out of the
like
game yet.
Yeah,
I'm just happy it like
Yeah,
at
push.
least got out. Like my God,
Because look, we had a candle
Bouncing.
down here at one point too.
playing volleyball in that zone, tennis.
A closure like this would be perfect.
We're due for it. We're due for it.
Uncle Scalp salivating. Oh my God, this is beautiful. Beautiful. Yeah, we really need to see the candle close below.
Yeah.
That's gonna
It's
be
got
nice.
no top
It's only the
wick either.
first 2 minutes of this candle here, so
People like, oh, let's go skydiving. I'm gonna rush. I'm like, no, I just need a
just
breakout on
trade
gold.
gold.
I just need a breakout on gold. It's the only rush I need.
Hey man, you want to go get high? Dude, the only high I need is a breakout on gold. That's it.
Legit.
Nick can count to infinity. Damn, they just keep coming. They're pretty good too. See? Here comes the pullback. So this candle closure is very important. And if we can get the candle to close like, you know, somewhere in these levels here, that's going to be perfect, man. We're going to take this thing all the way downtown.
We do the chant. Nick, do the chant.
Oh, no, not yet, not yet. And that chant only works for buys, and I don't want this going up.
Alright.
I got one for sales.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, I sent you I sent you in a voice message yesterday.
Wait, a chant for sales?
I come up with a song.
What is it?
I sent it to Nick.
On
Yeah,
Discord?
one song. It's like no, it was on Instagram. I think it was like right after the stream yesterday. Let me look. Let me make sure I'm not trolling you.
Look at what Red said. Red said the sun takes vitamin D from Nick.
Yeesh.
Red Effects got all of them.
Alright, we're gone.
Yeah, you ever heard that one song? It's like, hold that heater, hold that heater. We'll start singing. Oh, I smell that bleeder. Oh, I smell that bleeder. That's how I was saying. We can
I
sing
like
it
that
now.
song.
You gotta smell it, bro. Yeah.
Oh, I smell that bleeder. Oh, I smell that
Look
bleeder.
at that. Tap that level perfectly there. That was going to be our break even. It still will be if we pull back. So we need to pull back. Let's take a look at the 15-minute time frame here as well.
Gold is gonna fill that whole range.
Yep. Yeah, gold's going to fill the whole range here. And we should be able to be a part of that. Just wait on it. 15 close below. We good to go. If not, then we need the 30-minute closure. Tapped right into that line. You see that? Precision, gang. Oh yeah, chat. What you guys up to? Gold. Yeah, no top wig. Yeah. Nick's volume pushes the markets. Would GJ be a good position as news was on? Isn't it better to wait? Yeah, it's better to wait. Yeah, we deleted those because it was a couple minutes left and it really didn't do much just yet. But I mean, that's what we anticipated, right? That's what we wanted to go break even right there. So it wasn't a bad move, but I just deleted it because we were in the last 4 minutes of the hourly candle, and then news pushed us up. We would have got slipped on that. All right, we have 8 minutes left in this 15-minute candle here. Let's see what happens. Gold will go back up. You waiting on the 15? I'm waiting on the 15. So there's two levels here. You have a 15-minute support right here. If you guys notice, right here to the left-hand side. Let me make it clear for you. Make it nice and bright. This level right here. If this candle can close below this level, then we could take it off the 15-minute. If the 15-minute closes above that range, then we're forced to wait for the 30-minute. And that 30-minute support is right here. Right, so it all depends what time frame we're taking this trade on, whether it's the 15-minute or the 30. It all depends. So let's wait. We got just a couple minutes left in the 15-minute candle, and then we'll see what happens here. We'll see what happens. Anyone in Florida right now? How the heck do you live here? It's way too hot, way too sitting outside with no shirt on. Yeah, it's pretty hot. Pretty hot in Florida right now.
It's hot quick.
Gets hot real quick. This is looking good. Yeah, yo, this is looking good, chat. Lock it in. Y'all better lock it in.
Chat.
Oof. Yeah, it's looking hella good.
Gold closing below or I'm getting evicted. I need $1,500 on gold today. UK rain all day.
I can't wait to go to the UK. Ah, so hyped.
Beautiful. So 15-minute, we need to wait here. 30-minute, we can get our positions up there. So let's see what happens here. Is that not precision or what, chat? Is that not precision or what? Would you look at it? I mean,
Sniper entry.
Look at that. Precision. Precision.
Sniper entry.
Here we go. Are we in somewhere? Yes. We are in the world.
We are in the house.
What about no top wick on the 1 hour? Yeah, I see it, but I'm not that concerned, right? This was all pushed down from news, so I wasn't really expecting a top wick on the 1 hour candle, really, with that high impact news coming in. So, yeah, it's a lot of bearish momentum. Lots of bearish momentum here. It could be the deal of our life. Yeah, this could be the best trade of your life if you just wait for a closure. Someone, not somewhere, beginning to think this channel Z's. Hey, it is what it is. Right? It is what it is. It is what it is. It is what it is.
Yeah, I mean, you know, you can't please everyone in life.
Hey, gang, you know you could take a trade if you want without me.
Yeah, exactly. We take a bad trade, we take a L, then the channel sucks. We don't take bad trades, channel Z's.
As long as them profits keep rolling in, we're good to go.
You're only as good as your last trade.
Okay. So we got 2 minutes on this 15-minute candle. This is a big closure here for us. Big closure. Tell them bring out the whole ocean. Okay, let's see what happens here. Yeah, nice little gap there. Let's see what happens. Every 15-minute candle is a big closure.
Definitely want to get a nice top wick on this one because we just got out of that range. Want to make sure we're staying out of that.
I don't think some of you guys quite understand trading yet, but it's all right. Like, you'll get it. You will get it. Just need maybe a little bit more market time or experience, and you'll be there. There you go. 10% buy, 10% sell, 80% waiting. We got 1 minute and 20 seconds here. Are you not entertained? Chat. Yeah. If you wait for what you're looking for, you'll always be happy with the result. So cool. So let's see. Let's get ready here. Lock this thing in. We got plenty of room to drive here. So depending on this 15-minute, we're going to need a top wick, obviously. That's going to be our stop loss here. And then we'll look to get into positions.
What's your spreads looking like?
Spreads are looking like 1 pip.
1 pip.
Yeah. I'm looking at like 2 to 1.
1 2 1 2 1 2. Trigger finger ready, boys. Yeah, ideally it would be nice to see a little bit of a push down, create a low, and then come up and make a top wick, and then we'll enter on the break of the lows there. All right, this looks good. Looks real good. Okay, so you got that top wick. So I'm gonna have sell stops here on the flip of the candle, which is 1952. Oh, well, there it goes. There it goes. Where's the top wick here? Yep. Yeah, we missed that one. We'll have to wait. Now the chat's really gonna be quick, and we missed the move, bro. We missed it. Yeah, it happened pretty quick, and it's gone. Yeah, thing's gone. Yep. GJ not doing nothing just yet. Still kind of, Yeah, we'll wait for the 30-minute close. We got plenty of range here on gold. Trust me. Plenty of room here to drive. I did not get in. That was quick. Yeah, that was quick. I got in, so it's all right. Yeah. Why not? These last 2 weeks have been testing, to say the least. Yep. Yeah, we had a lot of news to navigate week 1 of the monthly candle, and then now this is week 2, and it's been pretty much just the only move we really had here was CPI. Other than that, it just kind of moved, you know, been ranging. So I want to take advantage of this pushback down here. I think we could do that, but let's now we're on to wait for the 30-minute candle to close here. Would your stops have been the current candle high? Yes, it would have been. Yep. Should I sell now? I got really confused. No. Wow. Yeah, 30-minute close now. We'll wait on. As long as it closes below that support, we're good to go.
Yep. And then that's even more solid confirmation.
Yeah.
30-minute closure versus a 15.
Much
like,
better.
bro, I'd much rather take that all day.
Me too. 10:30 lining up right for us.
Yes, sir.
Oh. Yeah, that's gonna be perfect. Discipline. US30 doing nothing here today either. See, some of you guys are trading all this. Crazy. Let's take a look at the NASDAQ. Oh yeah, look, that would have been our entry right there. Push up. Moving on up now. Yeah, 930 pushed you really nice here on NASDAQ. 930 affects NASDAQ just like it affects gold. It hurts. Phase 1 stressing you out? Hey, don't worry about it. You probably don't have a time limit anymore on phase 1, so. How can I join your Discord channel? !Discord. Chat quick. Chat quick. You're not that guy.
You're not that guy.
No. Yo, this is gonna set up perfectly on the 30-minute time frame. If we can get I'd much rather take a 30-minute position over a 15 any day of the week too. So just give it some time, man. Just chill out. Just relax. Patience, young grasshopper.
Just chill out.
Yeah, like I said, gang, this is the hard part, right? So it makes sense that you're stressing because this is the hard part of trading. You want to get in so bad, but if there's no valid entry or valid position based off of the sample size data that you have, then you can't force positions in this game. I'm telling you, that's not gonna help you long term. I want to see you guys succeed long term, not just today, right? What good is it to make a big bag today and then blow it all every other day? It's doesn't make sense, right? So you always want to just be patient. You want to wait for what's familiar to you. this is somebody else's move, right? Somebody else, I'm sure, got in. They seen that higher low. You know, their strategy called for an entry, but our strategy hasn't called for an entry yet. So therefore, you gotta wait. You can't force a trade. That would be stupid. That's what you call stupid. Life will go on today. Yeah, maybe you guys should just shut the charts now and go out and look at the beautiful blue sky. I try to teach my landlord about patience. Oh man. Have I had any experiences with the funded FX? No. Nope. I haven't had any experience with them. It's midnight. Playing traffic. Go outside playing traffic. Pushing, pushing. Let's take a look at GJ. How's that thing doing? It's stuck. It's stuck. Okay, we got 6 minutes left here. Let's see if we can get a pullback on the 5-minute time frame. And then we will possibly have these entries here. And if not, then it is what it is, right? It is what it is. How do you decide between 15-minute and which one you like better? Basically all about the closure. So we were waiting for a close below here on the 15-minute, which we did get, but price obviously just ran super quick there. So now that we're waiting for the 30-minute, if we look left on the 30-minute time frame, the support is right here. So as long as we get a closure below that support, I think we're going to be good to continue down here today. Is it best to trade the 30-minute? I like the 30-minute the best. It usually has really, really good confirmations. And here we are waiting on the 30-minute, right? So we've taken a lot of really good trades at 10:30 Eastern. So I personally like waiting for the 30-minute or the 1 hour. The 15-minute is okay, but it's okay, right? It's not great confirmation. 5-minute and 15 are very weak confirmation in my experience, but 30-minute and 1 hour are really nice. You know where I like the 15? Let's say if it's 9:30 and we don't get what we're looking for at the open at 9:30, let that 15-minute candle close and maybe that gives us the closure, and then we get in on the second half of the volume of that candle. So that's when I like 15-minute the best. Hey, watching you from Dublin. Hey, the proud dad. Love that name, dude. Our likes are stuck at 1K too. Hey, yeah, if you guys could like the stream, if you've been patient today, like the stream. That should be everyone. If you've been patient today, like the stream, sub to the channel, earn yourself a $100,000 challenge account. I know you don't do demo, but I was able to make over 1K. Nice. Oh, beautiful. They're making me earn the likes today. Oh, I'm from Dublin as well. Hey, Dublin in the house. Thanks, mate. Hey, you're welcome.
Dublin.
I made 10K in one day and then lost 11 the very next day. Never again. Ooh, yeah. I could read charts. My mistake. I was trying to trade on the 1 and the 5-minute candles. Can the 15 be used also around 8:30? Yes, I love the 15 around 8:30. Yup. Because we let 8 a.m. to 8:15 kind of do its thing, and then we could either get in at 8:15 or 8:30, one of those, right, until 8:45, and then that's usually the pullback candle for the last 15 of the 4 hours. So yeah, those are the times I really like using the 15-minute time frame. How come you changed it from 7%? Because I did my withdrawal here yesterday, but the stream, like the record here on stream is 2.6% or 2.4%. So that's why I just kept it there. I feel like they're either way, it's gonna confuse people, I think. So this is what this is our month right now, so that's what I'm just basing it off of. Yeah, I did a little withdrawal. We do a little withdrawing. Do some withdrawing. Yeah, a little $65 withdrawal yesterday. We like to withdraw. Some of you guys are complaining but never made a withdrawal. Come on, man. Come on. Come on, bruh. Go get a cigarette to chill, not health advice. We do a little withdrawal. Yeah, some of you guys complaining and pouting, you guys never even withdrawed money from the market, so it's no surprise. Chat likes doing a little depositing. Yeah, you've deposited a lot, but withdrawal has been your issue. I'm watching you for 2 weeks and you have great streams. Oh, thank you so much. Thank you. Yeah, here we go. 30-minute close coming up. We got 1 minute here. Lock it in, gang. This is the last call for alcohol here, and it's looking good right now. It's looking real good. So yeah, this wick fill is going to be our break-even point. Entries are going to be on the break of the lows or possibly the flip of the candle, and we're coming downtown here to at least 1946. Yeah, I would say 1946 areas down here. So I'm gonna get myself ready so I don't risk missing this, but
we just stops at
stops are gonna be current candle highs. Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
And then we'll do current candle. We'll enter current candle lows.
Yeah, either the flip or the current candle low. So I would love to see the next candle open up, turn bearish real quick, then go up to make a top wick. We'll have our entries on the break of those lows.
What'd you say the TP was then?
TP is gonna be 1946. All right, that would be a perfect close right there, man. Give it to us. Give it to us, gold. Oh, ho, ho, ho. 23 seconds will make or break our day here. Oh, can we close below? 5 seconds here. Oh wait, this is the 30-minute. I'm sorry. I gotta move that.
Wow.
Wait. Did we close below? No, we did not, gang. That's gonna be it. That's the week. That's the week. Let the trolling begin. You guys are gonna troll all the way into the weekend. Hey, take these sells at your own risk. We closed above. That's gonna be it. Done for the day. The markets make the decisions for me, right? And the market just said I will not close below there. So that's it. I think we had what? Just one trade here this week. Yeah, just one trade here. It's been a wild week. I think next week we'll start to, you know, get some better direction here, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're approaching this this area here. I think the daily's gonna close bearish. We're gonna have a nice onion play for Monday, but that's the day there for me. That is the day, chat. W patience this week. W discipline this week. If you guys traded with me this week, and you kind of held off on everything else that was outside of our plan, then W.
Use.
Yeah, so
W.
hey, love you guys. Proud of you guys for being patient here this week and not taking anything outside of the playbook. So we got on the board. Now we come back Monday and we'll start fresh. Start fresh week on Monday.
Yes, sir.
Sounds
Let's do
good.
it.
Love you guys.
All right.
Peace.
Love you too,
Hey,
Sam.
hey, gang, go out this weekend. Do something nice for somebody. Go help somebody. There's a lot of people in need out there. Take some time this weekend to go out and just share some of what you got, right? Everything you got been given to you from God, and it's meant to be shared. It's meant to be, you know, offered to people who can do nothing or can offer you nothing in return. That's what's gonna store up those treasures in heaven for you, and that's gonna make you have just a great day. I promise you that. So go out, do something nice for somebody, and we will see you guys back here on Monday. Monday.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
W's on the way
I'm
out.
gone.
Boys.
Peace, boys.
Peace. Chat.
Peace.
Peace out, boys.
See you Monday.
Peace out.
Chat.
I'm sure
I
I'll talk to you all.
freaking love
Peace,
you
chat.
guys. Way to stay disciplined.
Yep. Chat.
See ya, chat.
Yes, sir. And then he's out. All right, chat. Hey, everyone in Zoom, I hope you guys have a great weekend. Everyone in YouTube land, hope you guys have a blessed weekend, man. It's been a great week here, and we will see you guys on Monday. All right, gang. Love y'all. Peace. Deuces.